Morning, Michael. Good morning, Stevie. I gotta get through my line so I can see we're lined up okay. All right, heading over to TikTok here in a minute. Just trying to get this set up. That call I made last night to the 15-minute blue line sell stop, and that, well, the unofficial buy stop hit, and then the official sell stop to the 15-minute blue line hit. You can see the gold line where I left you all at, and then it came down and hit the 15-minute blue line. And it's called out Friday, actually, last week, so hopefully that worked out for you guys. Good morning, Michael Desta. Good morning, Andrus. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Kevin. Hope you all caught that play. Um, I'm heading over to TikTok where you'll be able to see more of the screen. Maybe. That's up to debate, maybe. We'll see. All right, let's see. Okay. I think I'm live on TikTok now. Good morning, Michael Desta. Good morning, Andrus. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Martar. Uh, yeah, let me reevaluate all these things. But I did want to point out there was perfection yet again on that 15-minute NAS, 1 minute sell stop to the 15-minute NAS blue line. I mean, absolute perfection. And then the buy stop, unofficially look for 1 minute buy stop to blue line. Happened right afterwards. Boop, went up, arched, came back down, touched this blue line on the 15 minutes. So I just want to make sure we're all clear that that 1 minute sell stop has occurred. And then at this point, I'm going to make some new call outs for you. But yeah, that's this call. That's the gold line where I left you. It arched up to the blue line unofficially on the 1 minute, hooked, and came right back down to its blue line. This is actually a trade that was called out Friday and it never completed. And why we called this trade out, or how I called this trade out, was because of this outstandingly great, I mean, you guys don't even have a clue what's coming, how great this is. The scanner right here called it on Friday when it was showing that it was green on the NAS. And because it's up above it again, it went back to the green. But it called this out Friday afternoon that this had not happened yet. And I said, look for it. It never did make it all the way down there. But then it did make it down there last night. And this changed to red. And this is the 2 out of the 3 scanner. Boop, boop. This thing is, every day you'll see a 1 minute do it. Some days, probably once a week, you'll see, or twice a week, depending on what's happening with the week, you'll see 5 minutes do it. And then 15 minutes probably once every 2 weeks or so, and so on. It just gets harder. But that scanner is just going to be changing people's life. And you guys that are in the system, that already have the system, that already are in the scanner system, when I release this, you won't have to pay the $500 a month that everyone else will be. And that's what people will be paying. Or $5,000 for the year if they want a little discount. But I'm not effing around. This scanner is, yeah. You'll see. And I'm recording all the sessions now. I've been recording these sessions for the last 2 weeks, I think. And I'm talking 24 hours a day. This is 14 hours worth of recording right here. You can see that recording number right there. That's what this is. So every one of these sessions are recorded. I review them, verify, make sure everything is correct. When I see that it's correct enough, I'll release it. Until then, I record, check it out, review it every day, hours and hours and hours. Make sure this thing is programmed correctly, it's reading things correctly. And once I'm convinced that it is, then I release it. Whether it's by my birthday, October 20th, I'm 99% sure it will be. I'll release it by then, October 20th, 20. I think it should be released before then. I'm usually a month or two on my release dates before, much like the sniper. I'm releasing that in 2 weeks. So yeah, but this scanner right here that I keep rambling on about, you guys might even know what I'm talking about, is the 2 out of the 3 scanner. This is the rough version. You guys will get the prettified version through Keith. He'll make this pretty for us. But this is golden. You can clearly see right here which one doesn't belong. And it hit it. And I told you that last night. I don't know how many hours ago that was. I can go back to that video if you like. It was, let's take a look, see. Good morning, everybody, by the way. Sorry, I'm rambling. Let's see. It was negative. Let me see over here. Let's go up to my account. This is my YouTube channel, what I'm doing right here. I'll show you on TikTok and YouTube, sorry. This is it right here. thesafetytrade.com. I have 595 videos. So just so you know you're on the right one, 2.55K subscribers, thank God. And then that's the live I'm currently in. So anyway, that's that. And now that we know that we're on the right channel, let's go over here to the lives. I've recorded every trade I've ever done for the last year-ish. Every trade I've ever done. 13 hours ago. Oh, people are starting to see what it looks like. So 13 hours ago when I called this trade, and it came true last night. So let's go into this trade. This video right here is actually called commercials time. We all hate commercials on YouTube, yet I love them. 14 hours ago, technically. Wow, TikTok's weird. 14 hours ago, and the video is called Live Trading on SafeTrade.com. Okay, I haven't updated it. I have 425 views with 66 thumbs up. People kill me. Oh boy. Well, whatever. All right, let's get through the ads. And let's go ahead and show you right here where I called and wrote it out for you. Yep, you can see it. Let me see if we get any clearer. Not super clear, but you can see clearly where I wrote this out 14 hours ago. 1 minute sell stops to the 15-minute blue line of Nas. So that's exactly what's still written up on my screen. Hopefully, I know there was about 450 watch the channel. I watched the video. I was able to call that out because of the scanner, and again, it was perfection, as you guys have really expected from me all the time now, which is cool. And there it is. So that scanner is a $500 a month scanner, which will be given out free upgrade to everyone who is in the scanner system. This is a free upgrade to everyone who's bought the system, is in the scanner system, and yeah, you guys will be really, really happy. Extremely so. Again, Keith will make this prettier, but for me, it's good enough. So if anybody has any questions over the scanner, please ask me, and then I'm going to go ahead and make some system call outs for you. Yeah, we're still in a 1 minute sell stop again, by the way. Okay. Good morning, Dion. Good morning, Larry Cooper. God bless the system in the scanner. Yeah. And good morning, BSC. And let's see what we have over here. Morning, Michael Desta. Good morning. I know I slaughtered your name. I'm sorry. Good morning, Andres. Good morning, Rob Gruthius. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Martard. Good morning, Moto. Good morning, Maria Toller and husband. Good morning. Wow, what is that scanner, Kev? Maria Toller, this is awesome. So here's morning, Kev. Here's to a great week. Yeah, Steve. Everyone, let's have a blessed week. Great week. Let's all make good decisions. Follow the rules of the safety trade system. Trust in God and kick ass. Good day, Mr. Kevin. Thanks for the creators, Bree, Keith, and you. Woke woke up 6:50 last night. Call. Nice, Raider Trader. Congratulations. Yay. That's what I want to hear. What a soft Monday morning. Ryan Salmon, good morning. And what cracks me up, there was, how many I just say? Like 450 people watched the video and I got 60 thumbs up. Yet the call I made out was 100% perfection. Just saying. Good morning, Ryan. Training 1 p.m. BSC. Good morning. Yes, I'm excited too, BSC. Please, BSC, when you log into your training today at 1, that you log into that Zoom meeting with your name. Don't use like Android phone or iPhone or whatever nickname. Please make sure you use your name when you log in. Okay, so we're all good on the scanner. And how I was able to make this amazing call and how you guys are getting it for free. This one. There's a little scalping system I've developed off the safety trade system I'm going to go over next. What time is it? 7 o'clock? Yeah, we have time. Yay. All right, so anybody have any questions over the scanner? That's that red and green thing I'm halfway pointing to right here. All the way pointing to right here. Everybody okay with it? Everyone has a good grip? So could I get some yeses? Everyone understands that they're getting this for free when this comes out. If you're in the scanner system, can I get some Y's or some yeses, please? That would be awesome. So I know that you all got the understanding. And I'll bring it up again later. Raider Trader says yes. Raider Trader just made $650. He says yes. It is 3 indices for the blue line. It is 3 indices. Yes, it's trading 2 out of the 3. I'm going to call it the 2 out of 3 scanner, or I'm going to call it sniper, no sniping. Because it's going to, no, my bad, that's the other name. So this is a 2 out of 3 scanner. I'll think of some stupid ass name for it to make fun of. Good morning. Yes, this Cobus. Amazing. Thanks, Gov. Morning, Tark says. Yes, it's trading 2 out of the 3 scanners, 2 out of the 3 symbols. US 30 NAS and SPX is what it's doing. And you're currently in profit on the NAS 1 minute sell stop I called out at the beginning of this rambling on morning session. Maria Toller says yes. Can you read out the calls? Can't read clearly on TikTok. You can't read it clearly on TikTok? That's scary. Yeah, they're currently 1 minute sell stop to the NAS 15-minute line, which I already did. 4-hour buy stop, and then unofficially look for 1 minute buy stop to the two blue lines. That was earlier last night. I'm going to redo all those for you. I'm shocked that you can't read them on TikTok, though. That is, I can see it clearly on my screen. Huh. And good morning, Pilgrim. Good morning, Larry. So it's 1 free upgrade, and sniper will pay monthly. Yes, if you want the sniper, you'll pay it monthly. The sniper is going to be $150 a month. I'm going to go over that one next, and then I'll make some more call outs for you guys. This one is a $500 a month charge. So if you have bought the system when I release this and you're not in the scanner room, I don't care who you are, you'll be paying $500 a month. If you've bought the system by the time I release this and you're in the scanner room, it's a free upgrade. Free. That everyone else will be paying $500 a month for. I gave you a free upgrade to the blue line on every symbol that we trade, up to 200 symbols. You can use the free upgrade that I gave you guys to the blue line scanner. This 2 out of the 3 blue line scanner is going to be another room, a free upgrade. Instead of paying $500 a month, it'll be free to you. I just want to make sure we're all clear that there's no charges for these upgrades, because you guys have supported me over the year, right? And you guys are in the scanner room. I don't care if it's $50 a month scanner room. You get this $500 a month scanner that's coming for nothing. It is my gift from Bree and I to you. I ate all the development costs. This cost me thousands of dollars to get programmed. I had to test it, retest it. I'm still doing beta testing on it, making sure that it's working perfectly, which it is. but I'm a perfectionist when it comes to this stuff. So I'm not giving it out until I'm 100% satisfied that this thing is working the way it should, that I'm reading it the way I should, that my instructions are written out clearly for you guys. Then I'll release it. And when I do, it's free to every one of you for your support of me over the last year. And then anyone that's after that release date would be paying $500 a month, and it will never come down. It will never change. Nothing will ever, ever be less than this $500 a month of scanner. And I don't care hell or high water. You will be paying $500 a month if you're not in the scanner room before them. All right, so you're welcome with that free gift. Hope you guys understand what I've done for you, what I've created for you. Would have taken me months and months and months and months to get created and perfected to this point. It's going to take me several more months to get this actually to the point of usable to you guys where it looks prettier. Keith's jumping in for that part of it. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say that it was a lot of work, and it took forever to get that programming right. Forever to get that program right where it's trading 3 different symbols to all different time frames. But it was done, thank God. And I'm not charging you guys a penny for it. Yeah. You're welcome, guys. All right. Now, here we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and go over to what's called the the sniper scanner. And this one's totally optional. That's why there's a fee towards it, because I don't care if you use this. This is, to me, a non issue. And this scanner is totally separate. This has nothing to do with what we just talked about. It's for people who like to scalp. A lot of people like to scalp, I found out. A lot of people like to scalp. I am shocked at the number of people who like to scalp. I don't know why it's shocking to me, but it is. I'm like, why do people want this? But people love to scalp. So you're going to look down here. And I'm still playing around with the colors, the blue colors, because my mom, who passed away 2 years ago's favorite color was blue. The pink color, because Bree and Olivia, my 2 most important people in my life, their favorite color is pink. And then the purple colors, because my oldest daughter's favorite color is purple. So I don't know if this is going to work for me, but I'm going to try to make these colors work. But anyhow, I have to get the coder guy to code it in thicker for the blue line for it to be seen better. I might make it a lighter color of blue. But anyway, I might keep it green like the Hulk. I don't know. We'll see. At any rate, the scalper. This is a totally different system than the safety trade system. In fact, that it's good only for 1 minute trades. This is only, I can't get it to work on the 1 hour yet. I've been kicking it and trying to get this thing to work on the 1 hour. It will not, for whatever reasons, the code, the settings. I don't know why it's so effing hard to get this thing to go. But it does work on the 1 minute. So let me show you a trade that happened on NAS right now. Look, let me show you multiple trades that happen on NAS right now before your very eyes. Let's take a look at these two. So everybody that's in the system or currently has the system, pay attention. But it's not something that you need to get. This isn't something whatever. This is a $150 a month charge. Again, if you guys understood the craziness that has to go through with what I have to do to get this system to work and then code it and then to get it coded to work, you guys would be wondering why the hell I even bother, and then why am I not charging more? So you're saying $150 a month, that's a lot of money. I agree, but this isn't for everybody. You don't have to get it. I don't give a F if you get anything, which cracks me up, because if I didn't mention, again, I have to put this out there somewhere, but we're now top 20 store inside of the Stan store system, which they have thousands of stores, and we're in the top 20 stores because of you guys. And I don't even care if you buy my system. I don't even care if you get any of the scanners. Whatever you guys want to do. I want you to buy the system, learn how to trade, and thank God hundreds and hundreds of you guys have. But this additional thing right here, I mean, it's sniping. Not a lot of people like 1 minute, or whatever. There seems to be more interest than I realize, but it's sniping. It's like scalping. So when you do a 1 minute trade only, You're not looking, to try to trade 1 hour, 4 hours daily, weekly. It's like we can and do all the time. I love my 1 hour, 4 hours. It's my favorite. But this is just for 1 minute trades only. And it's $150 a month, regardless if you're in anything. It doesn't matter. There is a charge for this one. And you can see how it will work. I'm trying to zoom in enough. I hope I can see it clearly and you guys can see. I'm going to have to zoom a little bit here. Look, right here. Did I go too? Let me go here. Gosh, it happened 3 times this month. I'm just going to use this big one right here. All right, if you guys can see this, this is the sniper no sniping scanner. This one right here is for the 1 minute trades, like I repeated 10 million times. Same system holds up. Red, 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 green, red, red. Cool. Do I get in here? Right? This happened right here, Kev. I don't know why that wasn't even green, so you shouldn't have done it. But let's assume that you didn't. Watch. Our new system that is only for 1 minute trades, only for sniping 1 minute trades for scalping, right? This right here is literally what it looks like now. You'll have this additional, this is the final version, not the colors, but the final version of the sniping. You'll see the blue line. It's flat on the bottom. That means it's down. That means we expect the trade to be going down. Then we look up and we're going to see the hookup of this pink and purple line right now. Again, I might change those colors because it's annoying me. I'm hyper. Then you'll see the fall of the pink line crossing the purple line. Unless you're not fast on the uptake, when you see that cross, which would be right here in this case, you will enter in the trade. And then you will get out when the pink comes down and touches the blue, which would be right here. So you get out here. The first one, if you open up to you, keep on opening, let it ride. But the other one moved the thing. There'll be rules, exact rules. So this trade right here would have gotten you 15 pips. We're not looking for the most pips. We're looking for the absolute 100%. This particular scanner will tell you exactly when this crosses to get into the trade. When it goes down and touches the blue line will be your first exit. And I can't get any clearer for people who are ever troubled with their entrances to the trade. I don't care about take profit. You guys are silly if you don't take profit after 5 or 10 pips. But I've made the system for scalping that when this crosses, the pink crosses the purple in this instance, I might change the colors. When the pink crosses the purple, it'll tell you to get into the trade. You see how back here it didn't cross, didn't cross, didn't cross, didn't cross? And then it tells it to cross. So with that particular knowledge, right, you'll know when to get into the trade for absolute certain. There'll be no, well, where do I put it? Do I put it above this line, below this line, below this line, up this line, down this line? Do I put it over here? Do I put it there? Do I put it there? When this crosses, you enter the trade. You get out when it goes down and touches the blue line, or anytime before then, I don't care, whatever you want to do. And that's when you leave the trade for your first order. So you look for your safety trade, and there's going to be another entrance, not as clear as the safe trade. It's going to be the fill in the gap one too, to work on the fill in the gap. But right now, runs over, does this thing, crosses, you enter the trade, you get out at the blue line. Can I be any clearer at this point? What's up, LT? Good morning. All right, so this is now good morning, Jimmy Hustle. Now this is something totally different. Pilgrim says crystal clear. Thank you, crystal clear. Does everybody on TikTok and YouTube that this totally separate and new upcoming sniping system where you scalp only tells you when to get into the trade and when to get out of the trade? I can't, I honest to God, I keep saying I can't make things better, but I'm going to keep working on this until it works on the 1 hour. When I can get this system to work on the 1 hour, oh boy, me, you, and we're going to be lounging around on some Bora Bora beach somewhere or whatever, and we're going to be having fun because holy crap. 1 minutes are awesome, and yes, you can make money, but the 1 hours will yield way more pips. it'll yield ungodly amounts of pips. So this sniping system, yeah, super clear. Thank you, Martar. Thank you, Raider Trader. The sniping system is only for people who like to do 1 minute trades. It's only going to work on 6 different symbols. We're only going to have up in the rooms US 30, NAS, and gold. And then it's going to be GBY, GBB, New Zealand. And I'm not sure on the third one. I might use it for oil. I might use it for, I don't know. I don't know. Might be ERUSD, I'm thinking. I don't know. But it works on all pairs. We just need to have a big enough movement and price. That's all. That's why NAS, US 30. Oh, and yes, it works on US 30, by the way. Someone asked me that the other day. Abso-freaking-lutely it does. Here's your one here. You can see the clear, boop, there it is. There it goes down. There's your money. Here it goes again. This is just this morning sometime. Look at here, right here. This is US 30. Pop. It went up. There's your safety trade. Red, 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 green, red, red. There's your cross right here. Is the cross this one or this one? This one. Wait, it could be this one. No? Nope, it's this one. So you'd either entered in earlier or waited for the system to tell you. And when it went down to the purple, you'd be up 33 pips, and you'd have made 33. If you'd have did it the old-fashioned conventional way, you'd have been up 37. So. And that's it. It works on these. It works on every symbol. There's just not enough movement. Look at how many times it worked on US 30 this morning. Hi, once, crosses, down it goes. Look over here. Twice, crosses, down it goes. 3 times, crosses, down it goes to the blue line. Look at this. If you'd have done any one of those and opened up 2 trades, you'd have made at least 144 pips on US 30 alone. And multiple times. Look at it. There it is. Cross, cross, cross. It does in the fill in the gaps too, by the way. And there you go. So yeah, this is for people having trouble seeing things. For those of you who are having trouble with your entrances, now I've made it where it entrances for you. I don't know what more I could do. Oh, lordy, lordy. Oh. And that's $150 a month. And I don't care if you guys complain about it. I don't care if you're whining about it. You don't have to pay the other $50 a month thing if you don't want to, or the $200 a month thing for the other scanner system. This will be a separate room. If you only like scalping, then do it. Then get it. I don't give a care on that one. That's between you and God. How are you going to handle that? Oh yeah, D-Man, the Cash App thing, I'm fully on top of that with you. Not what we're talking about though, D-Man. Very clear video. Thank you, LT. Knowing Kevin, they probably built it office. Knowing Kevin, they probably built it off US 30. Yeah, it was US 30 and NAS was the two test things. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Yeah, that Fed now thing's the biggest scam face earth. But hopefully you guys, so we were all clear. Yes, we're clear. Can I get some yeses? We're clear on the scalping sniper system that you $150 a month that you do not have to get, but are you clear that it's coming, that there's a cost for it, and that it's going to work in some version of what I just showed you? The pink crossing the purple. It might be different colors. Martar says yes. Does anybody know what happened to the founder Cash App? Yeah, they killed them off. Clear says Sea Maiden. Good morning, Sea Maiden. Thank you for saying clear on that. PK, clear and good morning. Good morning, PK. LT says yes. Thank you, LT, for answering with a yes. Thank you for answering, Martar. Thank you for answering, Sea Maiden. Thank you for another wonderful option to consider. Thank you, Guitar Man. All right, so we're done with all that. And people go, oh, why is he selling? I'm not selling shit. I'm giving you fucking one of the scanners for free, and then I'm going to go ahead and charge a slight little monthly at this point, and that price is probably going to go up through the roof, by the way, on the sniper. That's just who's ever initially wanted that one. All right, I am done. Let's get to some call outs. Here we go. I'm about to whip through 14 different symbols. 14 different symbols. The touching of the 15-minute blue line occurred on NAS right here. You can see clearly that my call-in line was this gold line right here. The actual touch came down here. And I don't know how long ago that was. Let's see, that would have been 11:30. So it was 4 hours ago, 8 hours ago. Fuck, how many hours ago was it? Oops, shit, I forgot. They're still talking. Oh, Lord. Hold on. They're talking about basketball. No, that's not what I want. You guys are probably having to listen to what's his face. That's funny. The video call out was from 14 hours ago. Damn, that long ago? That's crazy. So from 14 hours ago, 426 views, 66 likes. Really? Do I have to leave YouTube, by the way, because you guys aren't liking it? Let me see. 30, 44, I'll stay. All right. Yes, now we can talk about Cash App. All right, then I'll make my 14 calls out. The Cash App was talking about the deal because they're getting ready for Fed now, so the apps might be closed down. Yep, they might close down every other way to transfer your money around rather than Fed now, and they're going to do the same thing for all your cryptocurrencies, which if they take over all the cryptocurrencies, unless they're using XRP or something, that's all, they're just going to take over everything. So good luck with that. Oh, nice. We're going to get that 1 minute buy. You made money on your 1 minute sell stops to the 15-minute blue line. You're out of that trade officially. All right. And you know what happened to Founder Cash App? Yeah, they took them out. That's what happened to them. Don't cross the government. That's all I'm going to tell you. I don't care if you're a billionaire or not. Don't cross the government. All right. 1 minute sell stop. What is this? Who is this? All right. Gold. Do we already have a buy? Hold on. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold. Whether it happens or not is irrelevant. Whether it touches the blue line is irrelevant. It's what it is. 5 minute. It's going to form a 5 minute buy stop. It's going to come back down, hook, and touch this red line and go up again. Gold. 15 minute. Too late. Let me see. Is it going to the 15? Did it already hit the 15 minute? There you go. 1 minute sell stop, and then you're going to look for 5 minute buy stops to the 15 minute blue line, to the 30 minute blue line. Then things will turn and they'll go into a 1 hour sell stop. And then you're going to see a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. And then you're going to see a daily buy stop on gold. That's what gold's going to do. U.S. oil, 1 minute. Already touched this blue line on the 1 minute. Is that right? 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stops to the 5 minute blue line on U.S. oil. Look for those all morning long. Same to the 15 minute line. Then you have a 1 hour sell stop that's formed because of those. Then you're going to have a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. And then look at how it's hugged this line. By the way, I called this oil one back out on 6/18 of last year. It took 6 months to go down and touch it. And it's been hugging this line ever since. What is, because that's the line they're buying back, the blue line. They buy back the oil, $72, $68, whatever the hell they're buying back oil at, scam artists. Daily oil, nothing. Weekly oil buy stop. Monthly oil buy stop. Great, just for us. XRP in the house, baby. XRP. 1 minute buy stops. Look for them to the blue line. 5 minutes is going to form a 5 minute sell stop. XRP. XRP. 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. XRP. Daily buy stop to the blue line for the 1th, twice, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. This is turning into XRP now as ATM XRP. There it is. It's going to do it again. Daily buy stop back to the blue line XRP. Weekly sell stop to the blue line XRP. Monthly buy stop to the monthly buy stop XRP. Ethereum. 1 minute. Hold on a second here. Hold on 1 second. XRP and Bitcoin move the same. Yeah. 1 minute buy stop Ethereum and Bitcoin XRP. I'm sorry. 1 minute buy stop Ethereum and Bitcoin to Ethereum's blue line. Nothing 5 minute. You should have been in a 15-minute sell stop. Nothing 30-minute. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop Ethereum. Daily, you're kind of late on the buy. I already called that. How many times did they tell you a daily buy? I didn't know Bitcoin was going to go up. The F you didn't. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. Bitcoin, same thing as Ethereum. 1 minute buy to the blue line. Does that mean, by the way, let me be clear. Remember the term horseshoes and hand grenades. As long as it gets close enough to the blue line, up towards the blue line, I consider that victory. Does it have to touch it? Does it have to cross it? No. Will it this time? Yes. But it doesn't have to. It's just close enough. Anywho, forming a 5 minute, 15 minute, already should have been in sell stop, Bitcoin. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, Bitcoin. Look at the buy on Bitcoin. If you'd have listened to me when I called out a buy stop on Bitcoin back on 5/9, 5/10, 5/11, go watch the videos. It was at 2,700 and whatever, 30, and it got up to 3,000, so almost $4,000. Is that right? 2,700. 2,000, 27,000, and it got up to 30. So $3,000 a coin, $4,000 a coin. Wow. I hope you guys listen to me on some of these calls. I hope I'm not wasting my breath. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin to the blue line. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. USD CAD 1 minute. USD CAD 1 minute. Mm. 1 minute. Don't like. Usually I call that out no matter what. 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop. USD CAD. Weekly buy stop USD CAD. That's all I'm calling it. UDCHF, USD CHF is the opposite of EUR USD, and I'm sorry that you guys had some issues the other day with knowledge. There's that 4 hour sell stop I called last night on UDCHF. It's the opposite of EUR USD. Here's the buy stop in USD, and let me give you a hint. Buy stop EUR USD 4 hour. Oh, that'd be perfect for some options. Ooh, I don't think I have my I'd love to do some Nadex options weekly. Let me interrupt my call outs for a second. I don't know if I can log into Nadex though or not. Let me see. I'm going to try to get into my demo account on Nadex. Hold on, let me pull this off screen. Let me see. I haven't traded. This is another new laptop. I go through computers like freaking water. Oh, I think we're in. Okay, this is one of my demo accounts for the Nadex trading platform. They do what's called binary options. And you click on indices or forex, wherever you want to trade. And I'm going to go down to what's called weekly. I have 4 days and 7 hours left. I'm going to go over. It's really hard to show you guys this without being full screen, but I can't show you full screen on TikTok or on YouTube. And then I'm going to go down to a strike price that is in the money. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull this. Hold on. Let me make this a little larger over here. Sorry, you guys on YouTube. Might have to head over to TikTok. That's a scary thought that I say that. All right. We made. I forgot how much we made last time. What was it, like 2 or 3 thousand on the last options? Oh, we boosted it up really good. At any rate, let me see here. So if I think we're gonna do a buy, I look for the ones in blue. Let me go over to here and see. See something really quick. Wow, I'm gonna have to move. Hold on a second. I'll show you what I'm doing. Let me go over here to actually do it, though. I can't do it on my partial screen like that. There we go. Place order. Negative. Let me see where we're at. $40. Is that the number we're at? No. Let me see here. $60. Why are they charging us so fucking much? Wow. Are they effing me? Yep, they know it's going up. Are you kidding me? Scam artist in the news right here. Wow, cheaters, pumpkin eaters. Fine. I'm gonna place. I think I'll place. Wow, that is a scam. So I can make $1,500. Really? Whatever. Okay, I placed an order for 50 contracts on a buy, stop, and a demo account, which I can't even still see the full screen here, really? Hold on. There we go. All right. And then how do I do that is I look for what's ever in the money. They're ridiculously high. That's ridiculous. Usually you can get them closer to $50, $55, $59, something like that. Anywho, so you go over here. Their binary option means you win or lose. Don't let it confuse you. You go for something that's in the money. You can do daily. You can do hourly. On ERUSD, they have them like every 5 seconds. And you can do indices over there. You can do Forex over there. You can do gold. And it's just a nice way. So if things go up, say I think it's going to go up and they go down, I don't really care. I can close out my options early. You don't have to keep them open. It's just amazing. I love it. It just smooths out the market. And I did some ERUSD's longs for the week, which means all I have to do is have these options correct by the end of the week. Not any time. I mean, it doesn't matter if it goes down for 2 days, as long as by the end of the week it's up above. And I can show you maybe. Gosh, it's hold on. This is just a demo account. I'll go into my real account later today if I have time. And remember, I have so much shit to do today. Oh my God. I'll be leaving early. I'm not even going to stay much past 10 today. I got too much to do. So if you look at the chart right here. So the options I got are right here. And these options are in strike price to here. So I have from 1.0756 1.08756. 100? Damn, okay, maybe it is worth that. It could drop down, it looks to me like 27, 28, 20, 22. 22 pips. Am I reading that wrong? I think that's right. 22 pips. I'll have to pull it up on my charts later and pull it. But anyway, like 22 pips, maybe 32 pips, whatever it is. And I'm still in the money. So it can even drop, well, hell, it could drop a hell of a lot more than I'll still be in the money, or still at least be, I have time. You have time for between now and Friday. So it basically could probably drop about 30, 40 pips and wouldn't even affect me in the least on my loss. Whereas if you lost 40 pips on ERUSD normally, yeah, it would take your ass. It would take you to the cleaner on that one. So anywho, that's that. Let's go back over here. All right. So anyway, ERUSD. Does anybody have questions over that? Excellent. Good morning. Good morning, Wealth Creation Projects, who will be coming on, if I'm not mistaken, this Wednesday. And by the way, Lauren, are you here? We need your phone number, Lauren, if you're here. Good morning. Here. Let me get back to this. Good morning, Builder. Good morning, Thomas. I'll be working either 100,000 or 30,000 funded account soon, Kev. Thanks, Assistant, for giving me. Yay, Thomas! Congratulations, Thomas. I'll be working on either 100,000 or 300,000. Congrats, Thomas. That's fantastic, brother. Good morning, Kev. Did you do SPX? Please, can do it again, please. What's up, Torin? Yes, I will, and no, I haven't. Well, I kind of have, yes. Last night when I told you to take that to the sell stop, yes. Yes, so welcome Wealth Creation Product. He will be our guest host Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Wealth Creation Project will be on. He'll be our guest host. I'm not going to keep doing guest hosts like every day. The guest hosts will be on. They'll only be on for about a half hour once a week. I'm going to limit it to once a week. This week we might have twice a week, but we're going to be limiting them to once a week. I had a little. I love it, and I think it helps people learn how to trade. And it's good to hear other people's viewpoint, but evidently not too many times. It's not too many times. All right. Happy Monday, fam. Good morning, Jason L. Rock the Bach is in the house. Welcome, Jason L. Jason, we're going over our call outs. I've called out gold, oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD, Cash, USD, Chef, which is in the money, by the way, on that try. And I just went ahead and did a buy stop on ERUSD, some Nadex options. And now I'm going to continue. I'm going to do GBP USD, GBP New Zealand, GBP JPY, NAS, and US 30. And that's what I'll be doing. So, yep. We can leave that right there. And we'll leave that there too. Tooth Boys. Good morning, Tooth. All right, so back to it. EURUSD, which is the opposite of UTA Chef, and you can clearly see that USD Chef on the 4 hour is in the money, and if you'd taken that trade back last week when I called it out, you got 49 pips. You can clearly see EURUSD on the 4 hour has not gone up yet. Just a thought for you guys. 1 minute buy stop, EURUSD. Look at that. How did I know? How did I know to buy those options? How did I know that it was going to go up? Gee, I don't know. Green, 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 red, green, green. I called it without even looking at that. I made the trade without even looking at the 1 minute. Pretty funny. 15 minute. 5 minute, nothing. 15 minute, nothing. 30 minute sell stop. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. ERUSD. 4 hour buy stop. ERUSD. Daily to the daily blue line buy stop. ERUSD. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line, ERUSD. GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. 1 minute, GBP USD. Oh, good, we're not anywhere near news. 1 minute, GBP USD. It's going to arch up and come back down to form a sell stop. It's too far away. Yeah, look at this. Look at this gorgeous thing. Matter of fact, I'm not even calling. Officially, I'm not calling anything. But it was a 1 hour sell stop that you can see from freaking 30 minute 1 hour sell stop. You can see this from hours and hours and hours away. Hopefully no one missed it. I'm only going to call on GBP USD a 4 hour buy stop to the blue line, which it already did. Then I'm calling a weekly sell stop on GBP USD to the monthly blue line on ERUSD. GBP New Zealand, 1 minute. Too late. Nothing. Too late. GBP New Zealand, too late. Again, quite obviously a 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop. Nothing I can call for you. I'll call a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. And then it's a weekly sell. I'm not calling anything over there. GBP New Zealand's done. GBP JPY, GY, GBP JPY. 1 minute sell stop, but you're too late. Look at it. No, I'm not doing this one either. All right, so the only thing I can call longer term for you is 1 hour buy stop on GBP JPY. Again, I don't know why I'm even bothering. The weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line occurred. That was over the last 6 months, 7 months, and it went up and touched this blue line. We're done with that trade, but whatever. SPX 1 minute. This is where we got to get these off of here. So to be clear, the calls I made on the 1 minute sell stops to the NAS 15 minute blue line, just so we're all clear, exactly happened as transpired. I made that call 14, 15 hours ago. You can clearly see on NAS what was called, where it went to. You can go to the 15-minute line. This is where the entry is at the gold. This is what happened. It went up unofficially. I said unofficially look for the look for 1 minute buy stops to blue lines. It went up and touched their blue lines. Then it came back down and touched a 15-minute blue line. And I was able to make this call because of the awesome scanner that you guys don't have, but it's coming right here where obviously even a child can see two were red, one is green, the other one's going to turn red probably. Take the 1 minute sell stops, see what happens. So anywho, that's what those calls were. So these calls were all correct. And why you guys are still trading, why you guys didn't take these calls, I don't know. So I'm moving these out of the way. Now, we're done with those calls. Now, let's take a look at SPX. SPX. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Or close to it. 1 minute buy stop. SPX forming a 5 minute, I say 15-minute sell stop. Forming a 4-hour buy stop. SPX. 1 minute buy, 15-minute sell, and vice versa as it goes down. 4-hour buy. NAS. Ooh, I don't know if we're going to get up that high on NAS. It's going to arch up again. 1 minute buy. 15-minute sell stop to the blue line. Again. 4-hour buy. US 30 is going to be the exact same thing. 1 minute buy to the blue line. Look for any 1 minute buy. Forming a 5 minute, 15-minute sell. And then it will then do a 4-hour buy. So let's go ahead and write those out for you so there's no misunderstandings. You have 1 minute buy stops to blue lines. Typing on the wrong thing. Fudgicles, hold on. Let's see. Good morning, Chad. We have 1 minute buys. I did it again. I even picked up the wrong keyboard. I have my fucking 1, 2, 3, 4 computers and 2 laptops in here and one in the other room. At any rate, so it's 1 minute buy stops to blue lines. And then it's going to be 5 minute / 15-minute sell stops, forming the 5 minute, 15-minute sell stops to NAS's 15-minute blue line again. And then it'll be a 4-hour buy stop later on. I don't know if that's even today. Probably not today. 4-hour buy stop. And that's what you're looking at, all three. We'll obviously play those little individual 1 minutes for you so you guys can make some money. And I think we're golden. Wow, that was great. All right. So, anybody have any questions over all that? Oh. Lauren, if you're here, I need your phone number. Please email it to me. In the meantime, Wednesday, our guest speaker, our co-host, will be Wealth Creation Projects. Okay, I'm lurking in the corner. Western Shadows. Now I've just been watching Personal Life last few weeks. How you doing, brother? Good morning. Good morning, Glow. Got it. Doing all right. Busy here too. The way summer should be, I guess. There you go, Jason. Hope is all well, sir. Good morning, Jamie. Trad Crabtree. See ya. Yeah, I'd rather be busy when it's warm out when it's cold. When we get warm, no, it's U.S. soil. Oh, I thought I did U.S. soil. I'll do it again. It was done at the beginning of this calls together with gold. Okay. And I did that for you. Tara, we're done. Oil was called. I thought so. It was done at the beginning of the calls with gold. Yeah, I always do it. Gold, oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD CAD, USD Chef, ERU USD, GBP USD, GBP New Zealand, GBP JPY, SPX, NAS, and US 30 have all been called out. Have all been called out. And there's your buy stops in the money on SPX. Let's swing over to here and see what we got going on. Yep, you're in the money on your US 30 1 minute buy stops. You're in the money on your NAS buy stops, and you're in the money on your SPX buy stops. And that's what you're looking at. All right, so we called out everything. I told you everything. I told you you need to buy the system and then unlearn everything so you can relearn the system. You have to unlearn all your silliness you learned. You have to then master the system by teaching it. And that's why we're going to have wealth creation projects on Wednesday and maybe Lauren on Thursday. Looks like Italy's being narrowed down to where we'll be heading to on our next trip for the long term. We take several trips, like we went to New York City, we went to Orlando, we went to, well, I don't count the Atlanta trips, but we spent the night a few times in Atlanta, in Montgomery, Chattanooga. We'll go up to the North Georgia mountains here soon in October, I'm sure. Oh yeah, we're going to Ohio in October. Oh yeah. I might be a guest speaker at a event. I don't even know. Hold on a second. I forgot to tell you guys about that. Let's see. We have. Who was that? Someone asking how to buy it. No, who is the fella that was talking to us? Hold on. He wants to fly me and Bree out to do a speaking arrangement. I'm just going to drive up to Ohio. It was. I cannot wait to get into the same thing. Need a notary. Real estate. Yeah, we have to do that. I hope Bree does that today. Thank you, EXO35 Creations, for your soap. It was fantastic. And thank you, Kim, the Candle Lady, for my candle. I love it. Georgia, yeah, we paid her a thing. Some testimonials. No, where did it go? Oh, yeah, I got to get Mike and Katie. I sort of got, I think I'm just going to go myself. Horseback riding, yeah. Horseback riding. I think we're going horse. Katie next week. Georgia, 3 years later, Alabama. Oh, no. Where the heck is that guy? No, it's old. Yeah, we have to get our passports. I have to get mine renewed. Well, anyway, we're gonna go see Post Malone soon. Got some kick-ass tickets at the Lakewood Amphitheater in Atlanta. We're gonna go see Post Malone for the 3rd time. I've got to pay some taxes. Don't even talk to me. I don't want to pay taxes, but I got to pay a shit ton of estimated taxes. Oh my god, you guys would have a heart attack if you. Well, maybe not. Some of you probably earn more than me, but to me, it's a heart attack. Where the heck? eBay. The minis, ES equals S&P, NQ equals NAS, YM equals US 30, in case you guys didn't even know that. Benching 455 and 475 pounds. I don't know if I brag about it enough. They used to mock me, so I quit bringing it up. I do have a state record in press, if you guys never knew that about me. Most I ever flat bench press was 455 pounds, and the most I ever declined was 470 pounds. Incline, the most I ever benched incline was 400 pounds on my 40th birthday, actually. Okay, I give up. Where is that? I'm up to ask Bree. She'll find it for me in 2 seconds. We need to get where's training today for everybody at 1 o'clock. Advanced continuing education training today at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. I swear I have to print that thing. Oh, you're in the money on your buy stops on NAS, by the way, as we're all rumbling around, rambling about nonsense. In the money on your NAS, buy stop, SPX, buy stop. You're in the money on your US 30, buy stop. All those are in the money. You're welcome. Yet again, a correct call. I don't know wherever you would have taken these into. 17 pips, whatever. Pick one. So when I originally came on, you'd have made your sell stop money. Then by now, you should be back into those buy stops. And there you go. And there it goes up before your very eyes. Buy the damn system, guys. Share it. Buy it. Whatever. Taxes suck. Win in Ohio. What's up, Glow? It looks like October. We're going to be heading up probably for the month of October for my birthday. Staying with Janine in Ashland. Well, Perrysville, technically. Just message me, Glow. I'll tell you. And no, Glow's my best friend growing up. The only person I know on here personally is Mike Lewinsky. No, I don't give special call outs to anybody else. Someone accused me of that. Like, get the fuck out of here. I don't even give Glow special calls. They teach Glow how to trade, that's all. Tore my rotator cuff on 5th rep at 365 on bench at 48 years old. Oh, Glow, you don't need to be doing that shit, bro. No, I stick around 315 for some reps now. Hell yeah, Glow, we'll absolutely get together then, for sure. Are you going to be up there in October? You're still in South Carolina, right, bro? Thought you were. On 4 hours is buy stop. Yeah, 4 hours of buy stop. Correct. Unlearning serpent habits is harder than it sounds. It really is, Kevin. That's true. That's why I go over it so much. People yell at me for why you keep bringing up that only 1% make money, because that's the truth. And when will you be in NG? When will I be in NJ? Why? What do you mean, when will I be in? I have long-term buys already in place, and I had the sell stop last night and already took profit on that. Not following the question. Yes and yes. Okay, cool, Glow. Can't wait, my brother. We have met a real-life friend of Kev's. Heck yeah. Hi, Glow. Yeah, Glow's my real-life friend of like 40 years. Over 40 years. We knew each other before we were 50, before we were 17, so 45 years. Mike Lewinsky is my best friend growing up from 45 years ago. And his sister Michelle is also a friend. And she's also one of his assistants as we speak. Well, what the hell happened to our lives, bro? How did we get old? How did we get so old so fast, Mike? About 45 years. Yeah. What's up, Kent? Yeah, 45 years. So whoever's, I'm 57, I think, or some shit. Maybe 58 this year. 57. Glow, how old am I? Whatever I am. 15 years old to 57 years old. Maybe a day or two. It's amazing. My children are all, Katie's 30 now. What the fuck? Crazy how fast life travels. I know people tell you, oh, it goes by fast, blah, blah. You don't understand how fast life goes by. It's fucking nuts, guys. Enjoy every second of it. Make memories. Use this to make money. Help your friends. Help your family. And how about this? Set up your loved ones that are coming after you. Use all your, not for yourself. How about you guys use your wealth to actually help family members? Buy nieces and nephews cars. Buy your children cars. Or buy houses for yourself that you can give to your children upon your death through it as trust. So you can have a place to live. Buy them new cars so they can have cars to drive. I don't care if children are talking to you or not. Take care of the next generation with your money that you're making here. Teach them how to trade. How about that? Teach them how to trade so they can make unlimited money for themselves in the future. I'm going to tell you right now, life goes by fast and has nothing to do with you trying to make as much money as humanly possible. I was a self-made millionaire by the time I was 40 through gyms, and then I was bankrupt 3 years later. So, yeah, it isn't about the money, trust me. It's about helping those you love, helping strangers, do good with your money, help people out that can't help you back. And I don't care if I'm preaching. If you don't like me preaching, then leave. Get the fuck out. How about that? I don't give a fuck. Oh, you're talking about God, and I'll talk about God till I'm blue in the face. And I don't care if I happen to believe in Jesus. I don't care if you believe in Muhammad. I don't care if you believe in the flying spaghetti monkey. But I'm telling you right now, God influenced me to create this system. I wasn't smart enough to do it on my own. I give God the glory. It's simple as that. I don't care if you believe in God. I don't care if you get offended by God. I don't care if you don't want to hear about it. Because I'm going to thank God every second of every breath I take. And I'm going to thank him for every correct trade we make. I'm going to thank him for every dang on trade I made last night. I called out correctly for you. I don't take credit for anything. I give him the credit. And if it pisses you all off, F you. How about that? I don't care. So take that one and shove it. Is he Polish? Very Polish. Very Polish. I am part of the leadership team for the event. You will be in Ohio. It will be good to have you there, says Kent. Oh, what's up, Kent? Cool. Hope you guys don't mind cussing, brother. And Kent, I can't find your email, so I'm going to have to ask Bree where we put your email at. Sorry. Nice me as well. Well, nothing against you Polish people. I was going to say Polacks, don't get offended. Nothing against you Polish people, but I happen to be Italian. And Italians rule, Glow. You know that. Couple of short story. I will learn, please. Recession's right. Mistakes. Huh? Torin, what are you asking, sir? Sorry. Yeah, I hope you guys don't mind me talking about God and cussing, because I do both, and I don't care. We already did this. And when will you be in New Jersey? From North Jersey for training. Not New Jersey. I'm going to be in Ohio for training. And not for training. I'm just going up there. Why the hell am I going to Ohio, Kent? You guys wanted me to speak there or something? I don't know. I'm assuming I'm talking about the safety trade system. I'm pretty sure they don't want me to preach to them. So. Oh, you mean to visit? No, I'm not visiting Jersey. Jersey is, no, I'm not going to Jersey. I'm not going to speak ill of Jersey, but I'm not going to Jersey. I'm telling you that right now. No way in hell. Wow, how I will learn. I don't know what you're asking, Torin. I'm sorry. What are you asking for? I have to talk about your system. Okay, Kent. Whatever you want me to talk about, I'll talk about. Jordan is the one that emailed you, I believe. Okay, let me see if I can see Jordan's email. Bree knows. Bree says she puts everything everywhere, and Bree has everything organized. I can't even find my left shoe if you put it out there somewhere. Is this it? Yes. I have it. I found it. Hey, Kev and or Bree, I'm new to your program. Loving it so far. Thanks for all you do. Yeah. Yeah, I was telling them that we're good. We'll just drive up. Yeah, I got a call and stuff. I don't know. We've been. Carl's another is up 80%. Yeah. I just want to make sure you guys are happy with everything before I come up there. Uh, yeah, that's this one. Thank you. I found it. Thank you for reminding me. I just want you guys happy with the system and making sure by then that you're thrilled with it, doing good. I don't want to waste your times or anything if you don't like it. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spagler. Good morning, Kent. Good morning, Martar. Thank you, God, and God bless Kevin. Good morning, Amy Lou again. Good morning, Truck Driving. Hey, Truck Driving Patriot. Good morning, Kevin, friends. Thanks for all the information day after day. We know you do not have to do this, but we do appreciate all your knowledge. Thanks, Truck Driving Patriot. And then Lauren, good morning to Lauren. Truck Driving Patriot, I haven't gotten the phone number for Lauren yet. If you can remind her to send us an email with her phone number so we can have her on Thursday, please. Buy, stop, forming, 1 minute fill in the gap for NAS, SPX, and US 30. You already should be in the buys, though. And it's, and then the 15-minute sell, we'll get in that second. Well, I have had more wins since starting this than anything else I've tried. I really appreciate it. Awesome, Kent. Yay. Thank you, Truck Driving Patriot. Thank you, sir. Good morning, Patrick C. He's in the house. Good morning, Patrick. I will learn, please. What story do you want me to share, Torin? What's up, Paulo? Good morning, Paulo. What time is it? 8:01. All right, if there's any news today, which I have no idea if there is or isn't. 1 minute buy, stop forming on US 30 at NAS SPX. I got on early because I have to leave early. I'll probably be leaving around 10:15 this morning. I've got too much to do. And then don't forget everybody that's logging on for the 1 o'clock newbie training today. For your Zoom training, all the new people who bought. It's at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please log in with your real name. Please don't log in with your iPhone or something. You know, you might have like Jay's Android phone. Well, that doesn't work. We don't know who Jay is, so you'd help us out a lot if you'd actually use your real name upon login. And then after that, at 2:30, we have advanced training, what I call continuing education training at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. Everybody will be getting an email about 5 to 10 minutes. Before then, do not email us asking anything about either of those plans. Just don't do that. Just keep the emails to a minimum, guys. 1 minute buy, stop, US 30. And let's see if our sniping one is showing anything on this. Let's see indeed. Yes, and it's flipped over now. Oh, this is interesting. We'll watch this for a minute. I went over that already this morning. It hasn't done anything that we talked about, so this is not an official buy stop by any means, meaning it must still have to go down a little bit first. I don't know. If you want to take the trade, feel free to do it. It's just not officially a sniper trade yet at this point. Like I said, see that? It's still dipping down a little. But you can be ready for it. You can put your buy stop above the line over there and be ready if you want. Did everyone have a great weekend? I had a fantastic weekend, Patrick. We went gambling again. We brought Mom with us. She ended up losing a little, but Bree won as usual. I think she won $688 and I won $300. But Bree always wins gambling. But I tell her that I always win ultimately because I have her in my life. So that makes me the winner. See, it's still dropping down. That's the beautiful thing about the sniper. It'll be specifically to you. So we'll sit there and watch this, see how it goes. Yeah, you would have maybe got caught in that trade before, but not on a 1 minute sniper you wouldn't have. It's still moving down, so you wouldn't have got caught in that. Health, family, wealth. Can you guys see my comments? No, we cannot. Eric, good morning, Eric. Anything that you ever post with anything to do with any specifics, they won't let you post it on TikTok or YouTube. So you can't say anything that's specific related. Not that you would, Eric, but that's what they block. So no, we can't see your comments, Eric. I respond to every comment. That's why some guy said, oh, you never answer my questions because you're asking specific things that are blocked. I can't answer something I can't see. What's gold looking like this morning? What's up, Paulo Medic? Metzi. Gold we already did, but I can look at it again. We're just rambling on about nothing. So let me look at it again. Gold and then the hills. Gold. 1 minute buy stop. Where's it going to? Oh, it should be a sell. Let's see what's going on. Would it break something here? Hold on. Bouncing off there. Interesting. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'd play, like I said this morning, I'd play any 1 minute buy stops to the 15-minute blue line is how I would look for gold. And then if you don't want to do those short-term ones, it's forming a 1 hour, 4 hours. So it's about to form a 4 hour, 1 hour sell stop gold. And then gold is a daily buy stop. And that's gold. Yeah, we already did gold, oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD, USD Chef, ERUSD, GBP, USD. I want to check ERUSD. GBP, JPY, GBP, New Zealand, SPX 500 NAS, and then US 30. Oh, look at that. Remember the 1 minute buy stop right here that I called out? Well, actually, way back here. Look at it go up and went and touched this blue line, and now it's gone up again since then. Remember those little things I bought over for us over here? Minus 12.50 cents. But we are so far in the money, these will flip midweek sometimes. Yeah, they're breaking from even to 12.50. So I bought 50 contracts on ERUSD to be in the money. And any time before then, I can make my money. And I think I'm only going to make, I think it was $1,500 on those because they kind of scammed me with what they did. All right, let's pull up the scanners. I don't know which scanner we're using, by the way. Why have to ask key? Site can't be reached. Well. Huh. I'm going to have to ask Keith. Keith's telling people how to get, I don't know how to get into the damn scanner. Hold on. Let me see what he said. Which scanner is working? Can't change it for up either. All right, we'll get around to that sometime. All right, anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Ask away if you do. If you listened to me on that ERUSD trade or even took the trade, you could took the options, or you could have not taken options and you'd be somewhere up about 20 pips, or even on this last one right here, you'd be up about 12 pips. So feel free to those if you want. Ooh, look at US 30 drop, nice. NAS. And don't forget, I still would like NAS to go down to its, I would love for NAS to go down to its, come back up, arch up, touch its 15-minute line, and come back down to its 15-minute line. I just would like to see that. That's the play I'm going to look for today, real hard. Whether it does it or not is up to God. 1 minute buy stop on NAS, by the way. Well, it's not officially yet, but it is officially. It's not the sniper entry yet, though. And then we have a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop on NAS. So be careful with that entry if you're taking it. That sell stop will engage, and then you'll go down. And hopefully that 5-minute, 15-minute will go down to the 15-minute blue line for NAS. I don't think it's gone up enough, though, to the blue line yet for it to warrant movement down, so I would wait. But whatever you guys want to do. Patrick says beautiful setups this week. Yeah, we had a whole bunch of beautiful setups. I'm tired. If 8:30 rolls around and you guys get caught in anything, I have no idea if there's news or not. Don't care. How you play news is this: you don't play it. Stay out of the markets. If you're in the market, lock in your profits, just like open. Now, if you're still going to argue, then always look for those short-term, long-term plays, and then you'll have your ass covered. So you can put on, for instance, in this case on NAS, you can put in a buy stop on the 1 minute, and a sell stop on the 5 minute. And if it moves big, just take your 5 or 10 pips out and get out of the trade. I don't know why people find that so hard to do. It's weird to me that it's like they can't move quickly for some reason. All right. Um, Worst thing you can ever do is email us multiple times. If you email us multiple times, you might get in trouble. You have your pink cross be in the trade on the buy. On Nas100, you should be in the trade on the buy. I'm sorry, I missed that movement. Oh, son of a gun. I'll have to go back and watch that. Son of a gun. Hold on. You should have entered this trade right here. I'm so sorry. You should be up 5 pips on your SPX, on your NAS trade. I was not looking. I was looking at Facebook for a second. Damn Facebook. You should be up 5 pips. You could be out of the trade. I would have placed the trade right here if I'd have been paying attention to it. Son of a gun. And that is the buy. And now you have an ultimate cross. You had the little cross, that earlier one right there that you saw right before this one was the initial cross, which was on this, on that first candle right here. So you should be in right here on your entry. You should be up 6 pips and out of the trade. And then you take it and get out of the trade and you're done. That's, you saw the sniper system, which is not part of our system at this point. It's $150 a month, but you saw it live happen right before your very eyes. I had it up over here, but you guys weren't. I don't know if YouTube can see over there. So if you're on TikTok, you can saw it. But it crossed on this candle right here. You'd have entered on that you'd have already had your buy stop in place on the second one. You'd already been in it. You'd already be up 5, 6, 7 pips. And that's how it works. You can see the cross right there. It was earlier, a second ago, literally 1 minute ago. There it was. And now here is our going up to touch. You can sell one of your entrances on the trade, one of your entries, and then go ahead and keep one open. So I'm showing you guys a live sniper entry. And I'm not showing the colors yet. You can't see the blue up there, I know, and stuff like that. Blue's my mom's favorite color, so I'll figure something out on that. We'll see. And there you go. So if it dips back down and you lose money, don't want to hear it. You would have been up your, whatever this was. And it's absolute perfection. And it's going towards the blue line, which is your other trade. So you'd have been up, yeah, about 7 pips. Oh, that's funny, 777. About 5, 6, 7 pips on that trade, and you'd have been out. And that's what you're seeing live is the sniper system in action. Tells you when to get out, when to get in exactly, and when to get out. So when it first went up and kissed whether it's a cross or not, but when it kissed it, which was that minute before, you'd have got in on the very next one. You'd have been ready, had your buy stop ready to go right above it, let it click, or you can actually do a market order if you absolutely had to and do it. And that's how you make your money using the sniper system. It's freaking incredible. Is it long term? Is it this? No. You're scalping, maybe a minute, maybe 2, maybe 30 seconds, maybe 5 minutes. I don't know. Maybe you have a runner and it runs for the whole entire week. I don't know. But I do know it's scalping, so don't look for this to create 100 pips on NAS. It's just not going to do it. And I'll have in there how many pips you should be looking for, which will be 5 pips basically for system. There you go. There she is. No news today. Yay! Thanks, Raider. Can you go back to US 30 for the scalping tool? I'd like to see how it looks now. Very interesting. Sure. US 30. So the US 30 scalping tool at the 1 minute is a broken Bach, so you can't take this trade. It's green, 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 red, and this is red. So I wouldn't take this buy stop, officially anyways, I wouldn't take this buy stop, even if it came up and did it. It's crossed to enter, going towards the blue line, going towards, oh, that's funny. I'm going to have to change the blue line, sorry, Mom. I'm probably not going to be able to keep this one then. I might have to switch this over. Let me see. I might have to change this back to 23. I might have to change this back to green so you guys can see it clear. But when the Bach breaks, you're out of the trade. You can't stay in the trade. Yeah, see, that's so much clearer. So this is green, 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 red, green, green. Of course, our Bach is broken. You won't enter this trade on US 30. That's all. SPX, let's take a look at SPX. Totally different at this point. It's an entry, so you'd close, cross. If you want to enter it in on this one, you could have been entered in here. I don't know when this one broke. Let's go back in again. This one would have broke right here on this entry. So you would have been up your almost pip. You could have taken that profit and gotten out, or stay in it, or put your stop loss down here of 2 pips and just wait for it. I would have probably exited the trade on this one and gotten out as soon as it hit that green line, the 90%. It's going to be a 10 and 90 line down here, 10 line down here, 90 line up here. When it goes up and touches those, that's what you'll be doing. See the difference between SPX and the difference between NAS, right? And the difference between US 30. You can clearly see where the Bach had broken and all that good stuff. And if you go to your 5 minute, it is clearly a sell stop. And you should be prepared for US 35 minute sell stop. You should be prepared for your NAS 5 minute sell stop. And you should be prepared for your SPX 5 minute sell stop. That's all. Again, it's not going to be available for SPX because it's too small of a movement. That 1 pip movement is just too tiny. In my mind, that's just too tiny to take. GBJPY though, let's see if we can find GBJPY. Now this is a different, I'm not going to get into that one with you guys. So GBJPY right here, you can see it wasn't as clear. These are very choppy. I don't like these entrances at all. You shouldn't take these. Don't like that one. Nope, not this one either. You got it. It's just got. There you go. Here's one. So here's GPJPY. 1 minute. It's clean. It's clear. You have by clean. Red, red, red. Green. Red, red, red. Pink's up above the 90. There'll be a line here. Up above the 90. The purple's up above the 90. The green's down below the 10. That's perfection. You put your sell stop in after it crosses, which would have been right here on this candle, so been way up here, and you wrote it down. And that would have been about 18, 19 pips. When it would have crossed, would have been the first time would have been here when it hit itself, this one. So you'd have got about 8 pips on that, right to the blue line actually. That's funny. And then down here would have been an additional 10 if you'd stayed in it. Again, we're not going to run it on SPX. It's just too small. Not saying it won't work. I'm just saying it's too small. By the way, you can see it forming right here. Yep, watch this. There's your NAS, and here's your US 30. Watch. Now, US 30 is broken box, so I wouldn't trade this. Even though it can and probably will go up, I'm not trading that. Now, NAS, on the other hand, look. NAS on the other hand, yep, and you would have never been out of the trade because it never would have tapped your take profit. So you have to understand there's differences in qualities of trade based on the Bach. That's why the Bach is the most important indicator in the history of the world. It's separated strongly, by the way, in green. And you have your red, red. This is totally different than US 30. Not that US 30 won't go up. I'm not saying this is a broken Bach, and you can't treat it the same as you can SPX or as you can NAS. See the difference? See the difference? There you go. And look at NAS. And there's your clear. Now, we're clearly in the money twice now on NAS. And the exact same. So you're going to say, oh, well, it broke. This is going to be advanced training when you see that movement, that second movement right here, this little in between. That'll be advanced on what we're talking about. But your initial trade would still be open. You've already would have been up on this trade, I don't know, whatever that was, 5, 6, 7 pips. It would have stayed in profit, right? Never would have closed down, and you'd be up another 12 pips. So depending on how you entered this trade, would have either been once or twice, and there's your money. And again, it's just different. If you look at US 30 broke, there's nothing you can do on this. It just is not the same. Oh, it's going to go up, it's going to go up to the blue line. Yeah, it is. But you can't call it. I can't run. That is not part of what we're talking about. Look at SPX go up to the blue line. The exact same. Do you see the break? There it is live with you. It broke. This is just a special hook it does right here when it does the W. I'll teach you what came down and then came back up. And I'll give you specifics on this. Way below down here. Did our thing, did the cross right here. I mean, just perfection. Everything in this trade just stood out exactly like it will 99% of the time for you. SPX did it on Nas. There it is. Exactly. Look at. I'm gonna have to change Nas. Here it is on SPX. There's your W, both right there. Look. There you go. Doop, doop. And that's what it looks like on the thing. It hooks. It'll form the special other little hook. It touched itself again, so now that's not weird. So now you get out of the trade again. I would stay in the trade only because it's going to the blue line. So but you guys can do whatever you want. There'll be rules. You follow the rules exactly, you'll make money. And there's Nas. And there you go. Boop, boop. Crossed itself. And then that little hook you see right here will come up all the time when the W forms. Then when it's an M, it'll be the opposite on the other way. There'll be the cross and then a hook on the little downward hook right here instead of upward. And that's what it looks like live. You guys are seeing the sniper in action live, making two perfect trades and keeping you out of the US 30 trade. So it made SPX and NAS perfect. You could have entered the US 30. That's up to you how you want to trade, but it would not have been an official sniper call on that one. That's all. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Isn't that a thing of beauty? And you get to see it. Thank you, Alan, for speaking up, sir. Appreciate that. Hi, can I ask regarding Shafi? Is there a fellow buddy to go look at it? I hope you guys, did everyone understand before I move on? Did everyone understand what's happening with the sniper system? And then I'll go to CHF, JPY. Let me see, I don't think I have it pulled up. Does everybody understand what I'm showing you on the sniper system and how you'll play it? It was literally did the exact thing it wanted to do. I would like to see it do live on NAS, SPX, and US 30 all before your very eyes. It's just perfection. It did the trade just before you. Let's see what was the pairing one? CHF JPY. I'm gonna look at CHF JPY. I'm sure that's cross. Yes, says Raider. Yes, says Steve. Yes, says Family Wealth. You bet. Thanks. You're welcome, Jason. Okay, so you guys did see it. Awesome. CHF JPY. Hawkish. Let's see if it'll go hawkish. That's the old name. CHF JPY. 1 minute buy stop. But hold on, where's this thing going? Ah, that's a blue line. No, it is showing a 1 minute buy stop, by the way. 1 minute buy stop officially. 1 minute sell stop officially. CHF JPY. It's going to come down and touch the buy line. So look at your 15-minute. Already should have been in this trade at the 15-minute level. Yep, I'm sure the 30-minute was a buy stop too. It was. There you go. So this right here is green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. There it goes. Now, is it going to the blue line? Hopefully for your sake it is. No, way past it. When you're asking if it's going to go hawkish, you should have been in this trade probably days ago. There's a 4-hour buy stop back here. You should have been in this trade, already been hawkish. Back on 613. You would have already been up 6 CHF JPY, you've been up 600. Get on the daily one, you'd have been up 1,490 pips. Yeah, what do you mean, is it a chance to go hockey? It's been hawkish. This has been through the roof. Oh my God, this is insane. Yeah, no. You're picking up table scraps at this point. I wouldn't trade this at all. I wouldn't trade this. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, forming a 5 minute buy stop. I wouldn't trade this. It's too late. It's already up 600 pips. It's already up 1,000 pips. What do you mean by go hawkish? It's been hawkish since 322. Since March the 23rd, it's been hawkish. Since our stop at this one, it's been hawkish. 1,630 pips up to be exact in the hawkish. Yeah, there's no way I wouldn't touch this thing. It's going to go down. I'm just saying I wouldn't play it. That's all. No. And there's your money on NAS. You're in the money on NAS. US 30 I can't call. It's still a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. I'm just telling you and teaching you that the sniper part of the system is not calling that. And you're in the money on your SPX again. And yeah, that's all. I mean, that's it. This is if I can make it any more easy, I would probably have to make it a robot at that point. And there she blows. Boom. Buy stop to the blue line. Called out by the sniper. Called out by the regular system. Called out by me. There's your money. Oh, fuck. Good morning, Monique. Is there a possibility to go hawkish? I hope I answered your question, Alzon. If I did, you should say thank you. If I didn't, ask for clarification, but I think I was pretty clear on that. Look, we're at 20 people. We're at 40 something, 50 something, but I can't pull my thing over. It's stuck, so I can't pull my money over. I reset the account at $500 from, I forgot what we were up to, 12,000 or something. I took money out, withdrew it, and then we have $500 we're starting with. All right, so we answered all those. We did our things. We went over the scanner. We went over the trades from last night that I called out with the 1 minute buy stops to the blue line then, 15 minute sell stops then, and then the 4 hour buy stop. And it all worked out just perfectly. And showed you the sniper. Told you Lauren will be on Thursday. Wealth Creation will be on Wednesday. And we will have the sniper system for sale. As best I can gather, it'll be 2 weeks from today. It'll be for sale. And it's $150 a month if you want to get it. And again, don't, unless you like to actually do 1 minute trades. Look at it, go up to the blue line. There you go. See this before your very eyes. Learn how to trade. Take your money out of the trade. I showed you the original. I called this out hours ago when I was just on with you. There it is to the blue line right there. Close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. Take your money and get out of the trade. Unless you have multiple trades open, then you can keep multiple trades open. There it is. Crossed. Form the W. The W always looked like this small little hook pattern, and it's going to the blue line. Now you know how to enter. Now you know how to get out. Now you know when trades to hold. I mean, anything else I can do for you guys? You want me to come onto your computer and make the trade for you? Oh, people. There you go. Does the system work? I don't know. What does that look like to you? What does that look like when I tell you what it's going to do before it happens, hours before? And matter of fact, last night, it was literal 14 hours when it went up, touched the blue line, and then it went down to the 15-minute blue line on NAS. Right there. There it is. What were these words? What is that? Oh, it's going to turn and go the other direction. Yeah, no shit, it's going to turn and go the other direction. It doesn't stay, keep going up. I'm telling you what it's going to do and what it did do and where it's going to. And there you go. There's your SPX, by the way. The system worked, the sniper system and the system worked on SPX. This blue line right there. There it goes up. It also worked on the US 30. But the US 30 sniper wasn't called. I can't call this trade because the Bach broke. I can call the trade because it's going up to this blue line. But you guys, in your minds, I can't call the trade sniper trade because it's not. You have to honor the rules. There you go. Look at that shit. Look at that before your very eyes. Before your very eyes. Bingo, boppo, bango. I told you Nas was a better setup. I told you, well, in under certain terms, it was going to hit Bop. Bingo. How does that happen every time, every day for the last year? How does it happen over 600 videos? I call these trades live. And what do I have on TikTok? 20 people. Thank you, Health, Family, Wealth, for speaking up. Aslan, I'm going to go ahead and block you since you didn't say thank you, Chef JPY, for you. There's 16 people on TikTok as I just made a call going towards the blue line live for you, showing you it done. Good morning, Cameron. Anybody out there want to say thank you to God for the blue line call? Anyone at all? Anyone on TikTok or YouTube want to say thank you? Thank you, God. Thank you, system. Thank you, Bree. I don't want thanks, but thank you, God. Thank you, system. Thank you, Bree. Look at it. Did it touch? Close enough. Called horseshoes and hand grenades. Will it touch? Yeah. Do I care if it does? No. Do we just make money? Yes. Matter of fact, I can pull up my other account if you want. There you go. Thank God, system. Thank you, creators. Whatever. That's cool, Raider. Morning, Harry. Look at it. I mean, how much more? The system is green, 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 red, green, green to the blue line twice. I'm telling you, the sniper system called it out even before either one of those. Live. And there it is to the blue line. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say it pretty works. Nice, Steve. I'm glad, Steve, we got you the right time. It is epic stuff, Stephen. Thank you to Heavenly Father and you, and Bree. Thank you, Maria. Love watching, even if I don't take trades. Isn't it cool, Amy Lou? I mean, come on. Is there another system out there that I'm not aware of that is doing this, that's calling these trades out live for the last 600 videos? Anyone at all? I don't remember it. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. No shit. It went up and touched the blue line. I mean, are you going to be that greedy? You want more than the pips that produced? I can't help you, depending on which one of these entrances were, which should have been this one right here on this one. You're up either 24 pips, 25 pips once, or you're up 20 pips plus the 25 pips. You're up 45 pips if you enter twice. I didn't do it on this screen because I can't pull over my thing at this point, but I do have my other one open. Look at it. There it is. I do believe you'll see SPX hit it next. You're going to see it go up right now in these last few seconds and then go up and touch that blue line in the last 10 seconds here. Let's see if it does. 5, 4, 3. Oh, come on, really? I thought that was a new 5-minute candle. Maybe not. And Kent, you make money on that one, brother? Kent, you've been around a while. You've been playing with Bitcoin and stuff from my understanding of what you guys do. I'm asking you specifically, Kent, did you ever, thank you, Garth, for speaking up, and PK. Kent, have you ever seen anyone do this live like I'm doing every day for the there it is, there's your touch, boom, there's the call out, there's the touch. Have you ever seen anyone do this in all your years of trading? How long have you been trading, Kent? I should interview your ass. I should bring you on here and interview you. Look at it. There it goes up. Oh, I missed it by 50 seconds. I'm sorry I was off by 50 seconds when I told you it was going to go up. Where's SPX at? SPX will hit its blue line next, and then you'll see US 30 hit its blue line or come close. Everything you got, thank you, system. Trading for 7 years, ever seen anyone do this? Thank you, Kent. Just want to make sure that we're all on the same page here. Yeah, no one's doing this with such accuracy because no one has the damn system. No one's calling these trades out. You ever see anyone call the trades out 14 hours before they happen and they happen exactly like I call them? Nope, doesn't happen. All because of God. There it is. There's our system working in full force now. This is a scanner. NAS is touched and went past. It's now green. These two are not. Now you would look for any 1-minute buy stops to the blue line on the 1 minute on the US 30 and SPX and wait. Now NAS has hit it. It might not hit it today. It may never go up. The other two may not hit it. I don't know. But I'm telling you, it, the third one will make you money. Period. That's what's going to do. Good morning, Shash. And thank you for speaking up, Kent, by the way. Amy Lou, I don't think I would have ever started trading. Saw this crazy guy singing about trades on TikTok, bought the system, started trading. Now I thank God every day that came across my. I know, right? I'm either singing or cussing. I had to cut the cussing out because TikTok has now allowed me to stay on their advanced platform for 160 days, 180 days. So I'm locked in with TikTok now, so I'm good. I'm still going to sing, mind you. Oh. Deshaun, an impossible dream. Cameron, just dream an impossible dream. Da 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 da. You're welcome, Crypto Fox Indy. Thank you for speaking up, Botnator. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Crypto Fox. Thank you, Health Family Wealth, for speaking up. Anything for US 30, Kev. Anything for US 30. Yes. Again, it's written out, drawn out, told you. Literally, yeah, look for any 1 minute buy stops to the blue line for US 30. That's what you want to do. Let this come down again, hook down, retrace back down, and then come back up again. That's what you want to see happen. Will it do that? I don't know. Dream the impossible dream. Is that the one you want me to sing? Da 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 da. There it is. It broke it to the green, went up, touched it, came back down again. This is just something more advanced. I really don't want to start teaching this. I'll teach people about the system. But this is what it looks like when there's a W, and it's the opposite when it does an M. So this is a W. That's why you see this extra little red thing right here. Boom, to the blue line. Doop, doop, bop, bop, touch, touch. Not again saying US 30 won't do it, because it will. It's just going to be uglier and not as pretty. But that's what US 30 is hooked right here. You can see the exact same thing. Look at it. Hooked, did its little middle hook showing you the W, hooked back up, and you could have made your money. The problem comes in, you guys are going to have to kind of not pay attention to that red line when you see it. This is called a dirty buy stop. So you're really going to have to unlearn something even from my system on that. And then this one right here is perfection. I told you SPX and NAS was much better entry for you guys than US 30. Because US 30 was a broken Bach. Remember, the Bach's the most important indicator in the history of the world. When you see this cross right here, it hooked and came back down. Look, this is SPX 1 minute. Look down here. Look right down here. Let me be clear of what I'm talking about. This little area, no, we don't want that color. Hold on, I'm going to get this other one that's brighter. Right here. Look right in here. Zoop, right in there, okay? Now, what you're seeing is that is what's inside of SPX. If you look over to NAS, this is what's inside of NAS. And you want all these to pull back down, form another buy stop back to the blue line. 1 minute buy stop, NAS to the blue line. 1 minute buy stop, US 30 to the blue line. 1 minute buy stop, SPX to the blue line. I prefer them to get a little better, but whatever. And that's what it does. So you can see the exact thing. That little W hook right here, where it hooked back down again on this little indicator, is the exact same thing as SPX. Look, there it is. That's what a W looks like when they double tap the bottom. Doop, doop. And it went up. Doop, doop. There it is. So yeah, if you like sniping, oh, you're going to make some money. You're going to make a shit ton of money. If you like to snipe. Scalp, 1 minute trades. I don't think we're going to get a pullback far enough on SPX for you to re-enter properly, but maybe. I don't think you're going to get pulled back far enough to go in. It's a fill in the gap. Now it's going to go right back up, touch its blue line. And you should have a nice little re-entry right here on this little buy stop. It's not going to go down far enough, mind you. We can see this one isn't down far enough, mind you. That's all. So when the Bach breaks, don't take the trade officially. And there you go. You have NAS touching its 1 minute blue line again. And matter of fact, I called it down to the 50-second mark on the first one when it was actually going to go touch it. And that's because I trade inside of the minute candles. So my 1 minute candles are inside of 5 minute candles, inside of 15-minute candles, and I'll look at the 5 minute, 15-minute, tell you where it's going to break and go up to. If you don't understand what 1 minutes are doing, the 1 minute candles are nothing more than five 1 minute candles make up your 5 minute. But if you look inside a 15-minute, you can see it was going up to touch this line. Like I told you hours ago on this live, it was going up to touch the 15-minute. Henceforth, the 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop to the NAS 15-minute line. So as I was telling you this where it was going, I knew because when the candles restart, right? So when there was a 5-minute candle back here, it was going to restart, and I knew that final push was going to come on the NAS because of it. So I'm playing inside of candles. I know 99% of everybody doesn't understand that, but I'm literally playing these 1-minute candles inside of the 15-minute candles, 30-minute candles, 1-hour candles. So when I see that there's a new 5-minute candle forming, or a 15-minute candle, or I could see inside this 30-minute candle, look, you can literally see inside of it. See when it started its new 30-minute candle 12 minutes ago where it was? Well, it was going to go up. So that 12-minute candle inside of there was these 5-minute candles, which were 1-minute candles, and I knew that final little push was at that last tail end of it. Well, at any rate, I probably lost all of you on that, but that's what it does. So, yeah, sorry. I know I bore half of you guys to sleep, but I love the fact that we can look at both of these things live like this. You can see both charts, this live analysis. I never liked top-down analysis. I thought it was the stupidest thing on earth. But this live analysis, where right and left, 1 minute on the right, 5 minute on the left, or higher time frames, you can literally see inside of your candles. And you know when they're going to form a wick, or when they're going to go form whatever. I mean, this is absolute insanity. I'm inside of this 1-hour candle. Look, the 1-hour candle, you can't see it too clearly because I have too much shit open on the other chart, but I got to leave that there. Look. So now I'm inside this. If you guys go from YouTube to TikTok, you can see it. 1-hour candle started, right? So we're currently in a 1-hour candle right there. This is the tail of it. It went down like this, and then it hooked over and was coming up. Well, I knew we're inside of this hour candle that it's going up to its watch. I'll just move it to this 30-minute for you. It's going to go up and so this what you're looking at right now looks like a candle wick on the top. This wick right here is the push to the blue, the push to the red line on the NAS 30 minutes. Look at it. That's all you're seeing is when you see this, it goes over doop, and then this little wick to the red line. It just went doop, and that's what it always does. It's called consolidation, which is bullshit. It's just moving over to another red line. So when it moves over to the other red line, it moves over to the red line in a 30-minute. It hooks and comes up, and then it will come back down again when it's ready to do its sell stop to form. So I know that I'm teaching way advanced shit to you guys, but that's what it does. And that's why I call it down. I was within a minute. I was within 50 seconds of the touch of that. On that 30-minute to the red-blue line. It's just what it was doing at that time. So I don't know. I probably lost you all. I'm sorry if I did. I try not to go deep. I have a family member who's into this a lot, and he says I talk so far advanced over people's head, I lose everybody. I apologize if I lost you. I think it's simple as can be. It's like cakewalk, but that's me. Please fix your video. I'd love to learn from you. Nothing I can do, bro. If you can't see it, then head over to TikTok. Anything for your 30 Cup. Good morning, coach, and everyone. When's the sniper system coming out? 1 minute to 1 hour. No, there's only the sniper. It's doing the 1 minute. I can't get it to work on the 1 hour at this time. Thank you, Crypto Forex. Thanks for that, Nader. Thank you. Okay, well, I hope somebody understood some of that. It'd be really nice if somebody did, but maybe not. It's okay. I'll keep making the calls for you guys. You guys keep taking them for free and keep making your money. Eventually, I hope you all learn to trade. I really, really, really do. 8:45. Time for me to come on my live, but I came on early today because I have to leave early today. I have no choice. I have too many things to do. Whew. Boy, oh boy, it's reloading on the sniper. Reloading the, I don't know, what do I want to call it? I'm not good at guns. I'm terrible at guns. 1 minute buy stop. SPX. Let it come down a little further. 1 minute buy stop, US 30. 1 minute buy stop, NAS. Again, don't forget for 1 second that there are 5-minute, 15-minute sell stops in place. Matter of factly, I'll go ahead and join the crowd here. Can I put it in? Hold on a second. Hold on. just wait. All right. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, back to the blue line for Nas. 1 minute buy stop for US 30. Also, they all have 5 minute, 15-minute sell stops. 1 minute buy stop SPX. You sit here and wait. Whether they engage or not is irrelevant to the fact that it's still the correct call. You follow what I'm saying? And just wait. If you're in the money on a sell and you're up 5 or 10 pips, take it. By all means, take your profit and run. We still have about 45 minutes to market open. 1 minute US 30 change the Bach. Yeah, so again, that US 30 is a broken buy stop. It is. There's some of that, but that's a replay definitely worth watching over and over again. So many golden nuggets dropped to pick up. Thank you, Eric. Oh, you did get something, Amy Lou? I hope you got something out of that. Thank you. Marcus says, I appreciate you, Kevin, but you lost me on that. I have to study more on the system. Thank you for trying to explain the concept to us, though. You're welcome. Thank you. Super helpful, Kent. Yes. Please fix your video. Dude, you have no effing idea how many times I've tried to fix the video. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, One Jazz Only. Patrick C. woke up to 60 pips profit. I'm happy. Nice, Patrick. I love those trades, especially when I forget about the trades and then they go up or down or whatever and I wake up in the money. It cracks me up every time. By the way, let's see. Let's see. I would already have, when I see my 2 underneath, I would already have my buy stop in place. For this, I'm looking at both the NAS and the SPX. So I'll have a modified version of the rules for you so you can have those. Give it 30 seconds and let's see how these things look. 26 seconds, let's see how the sniper pink and purple lines look. Oh man, I should have did my treadmill. I did 70 minutes of cardio yesterday, some running on the treadmill and stuff, and then walking fast and then incline. Yeesh, 70 minutes is too long. I usually do 30. I was talking to my brother and had a lot of extra time. There you go. And that's interesting that not raise right there. Hold on a second on that. That did not raise. Interesting. You got to be careful now. It didn't come up. So even though this is going up to the blue line on NAS, you could have taken the call, but I would not have taken that call on NAS with the sniper system. It must be in another 30 seconds then. That's interesting. SPX too. Must have had its reasons though. I have a feeling on this next candle though you'll see it cross. You'll see pink and purple cross. Oh, Lauren, right. Thank you, Lauren. Oh, we got a water bill in. It's negative $75. I pay ahead on my bills. So we have a water bill of negative $75. That's funny. Oh. Still no break in the Bach? Whoa, what? Break in the sniper? I would still, I'll modify the rules then. You still have your entry right here. I would take that entry. That's bullshit. They're both below the 10 line. Yeah, I'm still taking that trade. Absolutely. I'll modify the rules for you guys because that should be an entry right there. I don't know why that's still acting like that. There's no effing way. How did that not hook over that? I'm watching SPX on YouTube, so look to the right if you're on TikTok. Come on, 7 seconds. Come. Where's my cross? Yeah, cross. All right, there you go. So you'd be in the trade. So be prepared. Your buy stop should have been ready on that. So you'd be entered on the trade again on the NAS late, a little late in my mind. But SPX should be perfection. So NAS to the blue line touch is coming up right now before your very eyes. And then, yeah, you're in the money technically on that trade. You could take that money or not. That's up to you how you handle that. You're in the money on NAS. Either to close the trade down or don't. Interesting. Oh, look. The SPX did not lock in. This is still an open trade. That is not. Oh, wow. It has to cross and lock, but I would still take that trade. I don't give a fuck. Even if it taps us out at 2 pips, I would take that trade. Take it. Don't give a fuck. Let it go back down. There's a reason why it hasn't crossed, though. See, I'm trying to outsmart the system, and the system's telling me don't be a dumbass. It has to. Should look at it. God dang it. Closure of that candle for it to lock in. It didn't lock it. That's funny as fuck. You would have lost the SPX trade. You would have won on the NAS. You'd have lost the SPX trade. It's going to go down and tap you. Unless, of course, you're playing off the 5 minute, then you would have lost. But I don't want to complicate anything. Nope, it has not broken. This is interesting. I'm going to watch that SPX on the right. We're watching SPX on the right chart for those of you on TikTok. I want to see something here. You may or may not have lost. I think it's going to tap it though anyways. But it still hasn't crossed. So technically on this scanner, on the sniper one, you wouldn't have entered this trade. I would have entered the trade because I'm a little more aggressive on SPX. I don't care if I lose a pip or two. And I probably would have lost this trade on SPX if I would have taken it. It still hasn't crossed though. So if you guys had listened to the sniper rules to the letter, you wouldn't have been in this trade, but I would have jumped that. I would have been in that trade. So it doesn't look like it's going below where I was though, but I think I would have lost this SPX. So not the NAS. The NAS still hasn't gone below where I entered. We would have been in this trade. We would have made money. You'd have been up to it. It would have went to the blue line. That's fine. Oh, look. Funny as heck if that thing goes right back up again. Maybe I wouldn't have taken it. I would have definitely been in this trade. Absolutely been in that trade. And come on, just dip. It still hasn't crossed. I don't know what to tell you. It still hasn't crossed on SPX, so until it does. If that thing goes shooting up, I'm going to laugh my ass off. That's going to be funny. Because then I would have thought I would have lost and I probably would have won. Because I wouldn't have tapped me, but damn, that would have been close as hell. I'd have been a quarter inch below that. And I know I would have been in that trade, knowing me, I would have been in on it. Because SPX like to run it on the red line. Not NAS or US30, you'll get your ass handed to you, but on SPX I would have had it that way. Oh my gosh, if this goes back up, I'm going to laugh my ever-loving ass off. I am going to laugh nonstop. Just waiting. Still hasn't crossed. So the sniper has not crossed to enter at SPX. See, now it's up above it, but you have to let that lock in. And last time it didn't lock us in. See, I wouldn't jump this one now. I'd be in the other trade, though, already still. So technically, I hadn't lost. Oh, your entry is in on NAS. Entry is on NAS. It is entered, and it's locked in. So I believe we're locked in anyways. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Hold on. See, it has to stay locked in. The candle has to close. They're not repainting. Upon candle closure, it moves. Okay. Let's switch over. I'm just going to switch these two. Hold on. Let's look at NAS over here. You can see it crossed and locked. And that's your movement upward. Here's your SPX on the left over here. That's that. So let's see. I don't know what US 30 is doing, by the way. I hope it's somewhere, but I don't know. So you're in the money again for the second time on NAS on this one. So you can take that money and run if you like. If you're up 5 or 10 pips, all you got to be. And it's touched this green line. So again, that about a 5 pip movement. And again, I would let the blue line override that and see what happens. That's beautiful. This is interesting to see. You guys get to see this stuff live. So what I do all this shit every day, and then go back over it every night and review every one of these kind of trades. And I go back and forth and see when it locks. Why did it lock in? Is that the right setting for the lock in? Is it not? And I test it over again. I have another computer running where all it does is have that up there, and I just let it run over and over again. Now, come back down and then hooks back up again. I know this is boring to you guys. This is what I do. After I'm done with you guys later this evening, I'll go over these trades by inch, second by second, you know, over and over and over again. Just to see, was that enough? Was that 5 pips? Was that 2 pips? Was that 1 pip? But again, I don't like using the system in SPX because it doesn't give us enough movement. NAS, US 30, GBP, JPY, ERUSD, gold, it all does. They all do really good. All right, this is probably boring you guys to sleep. This is what I do. And you have to see, is that movement right there, is that perfected? Would that have got us 5 pips? Would that not have got us 2 pips? Would that got us 10 pips? What is this on NAS? How did that look on SPX? Is gold doing it? What happened with US 30? Is ERUSD moving? You know, all those things I would look at over and over and over again so you guys don't have to. Thousands of trades. Like when I tell you that 1 hour, 4 hour never misses on any symbol, the safety trade system never misses, and I'm telling you it doesn't miss on any symbol. And there it goes back up to the blue line. You have perfection. Nas100 has turned into, Nas has now turned into an ATM. There it is again, before your very eyes. That is another touch. You can go ahead and sell and close that down. That's close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. Maybe I'll call the new scanner horseshoes and hand grenades. Beer bongs and Bentleys. Look at it. There it is before your very eyes. Take your profit, get out of the trade. There's your money. Wow, isn't that cool to see? Did you guys enjoy that? Good morning, Lauren. Thank you for your email. I can't wait to talk to you. Yay, Lauren's here. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, Steven. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Marlon. I hope I didn't bore you all to sleep. But that would be what my mind goes through as I'm watching that. I'm saying, hey, is that NAS thing, when it crossed, did that produce enough pips for us? Is it doing it on the scanner, the 2 out of 3 scanner doing? What is US 30 doing? You know, and I take that consideration, and it all has to be tested hundreds and thousands of times before I'll release it to you all. And that performed perfectly. That's more than enough pips for you guys to have your money on. There you go. I'll be going back and watching this live without a doubt. Nice way to wake up, Patrick. NAS ATM. That is it. Botnator NAS ATM. What's up, Crystal? What's up, Marlon? What's up, Terry? Good morning, Stephen, and good morning, Lauren. Lauren will be our guest on Thursday. Wealth Creation will be our guest on Wednesday. Lauren will be 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then probably about a half hour of your time. I'm not going to keep people on long on those. And there it is. Thank you, Lauren, for coming on to help teach people. And thank you, Wealth Creation Project, for coming on to teach people. And I hope you guys got a little something out of watching my brain work and what I'm showing you on these trades, because it's very, very specific. Again this morning. Again, you could have been in profit 3 times at this point on ATM 30. On Nas100, you could have been in profit 3 times already on this one, easily. Well, I know the first one we called was back here. So that was, yeah, that was 20, 30 pips. I know you could have caught it again. Been another 20 pips. I did that live. I know you could have caught this one because we did it. You could have caught this one because I did it. And that'd have been about 10 pips each on those. So there you go. I hope you guys buy the system, learn how to trade. Yes, I'm showing you some more advanced things this morning, but it's very simple. And when it crossed, You should have had your buy stop ready to go, and you're in. Let me go back to SPX. Told you on SPX. I don't think I would have lost. I don't think I would have been tapped out. My stop loss would have been below here. I didn't take this trade. I don't like trading SPX on the scalping system because it doesn't give us enough pips. But NAS was more than enough pips. More than enough. What's US 30 doing? Oh, US 30 is dropping like a rock. All right, US 30, we have a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop in place. Ah, shit. Hold on a second on that one. Fuck. I might put one down here and let it come a little lower. Hold on. I don't know if I'm going to keep this trade. I might yank it up later. Only reason I'm going to take that is because it's NAS 15 down there. That's the one I like is the NAS. This is the one I would put down. Another one actually. Now when market opens, don't be shocked if it arches up and then pulls hard down. Market open. Don't be shocked at that at all. Okay? What time is it? 28 minutes. So 27 minutes to market open. I wouldn't be shocked at all if you see a nice arch up. Yeah. Let me see if the 1 hour is formed yet. No, it has not. Yeah, I can see this. This is what I see happening. If this happens, Lord willing, we have price starts above, forms our first one, came back down. Then you're going to see price arch up logo again on the 1 hour, touching the red line and going past it, and it'll hook back down again. I would prefer to see that nice arch up. That arch up on all three will then complete the blue line touches on the 1 minute, and then we'll have our pull down on the 5-minute, 15-minute to the blue line. That's what we're hoping for at this one. It's already touched the blue line once, twice, towards it 3 times. Touched it last night as I called out over 15, 16 hours ago. It was 1 minute sell stop to the 15-minute NAS blue line right here. That was called out 15 hours ago in a video that was over there. But yeah, so that's that. But yeah, I would hope that happens and we can make a lot with you guys if I see that little arch up. It may or may not do that. We'll see. If we don't get the arch up, be ready for those 5-minute, 15-minute sell stops. All I can tell you. Let me see SPX. And I'm not going to stay on long this morning. Well, I've already been on long. I'm not going to stay much past 10 o'clock this morning. So 10, 10:15. 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop on all 3 indices. 1-minute buy stops to the blue lines on all 3 indices. You play whichever one you prefer to play. I don't care. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I am showing you absolutely how the sniper system and how freaking awesome it is. Again, putting in its little ka-ching. So it's reloading another buy stop to the blue line right now. And then we'll see what happens over the next minute or two. Watch this. I can literally be mesmerized this for hours, so if I lose you guys, and no one's going to be surprised. I just love seeing this. This is the most gorgeous, prettiest thing you're ever going to see in your life. When you see how the system works, and specifically that sniper system work right before your very eyes all morning long, you got to be like, what the fuck? It's just gorgeous. Boom, baby. It literally drew out that W to the blue line for you. I don't know how much crystal clear I can make the system. Wow. Told you the second hook to that blue line, it did it. And let's see what happens here. Oh, I should have did my cardio. I didn't do my Wim Hof. I didn't lift this morning. Make sure you have your 5-minute, 15-minute sell stops ready to go. I don't want anyone to be caught not to have those ready to go. We had some bad storms last night, but did not get any power, so that was cool. Officially, 1 minute buy stop, Nas100. Be ready for those 5 minute, 15 minute sell stops to engage. Although I still think we need a bigger push up. I'm not ready for it to drop yet, but it might not be ready for me, so I don't know. I think it needs to push back up to those 1 minute blue lines and then drop. But we have had the blue lines hit twice on the NAS, so maybe not. I don't know. If you don't like playing the 1 minute, just flip up to those 5 minute, 15 minutes. If you don't like playing the 5 minute, 15 minutes, flip up to that 4 hour and sit back and have a beer because it's gonna be fucking days before you get that trade. Oh, let me see something while I'm speaking of that. Let me see ERUSD. ERUSD. Oh, 1 minute buy stop again. ERUSD. Yeah, look at this. So those Natick options I bought are 50. Oh, demo. This isn't a demo account. I'll get into my live if I have time and it's still in a good position later today after I'm done with you guys. Last time I didn't get into it when I traded the gold options. We're up $50 right now in those options from this morning. We were up $50 on these options. These are just demo money, but it's the principle of how to trade the options, what I'm trying to teach you all. So hopefully you guys caught that. And that's just demo only. This is just demo money on Nadex. Never going to show you my Nadex account inside. But nonetheless, those options would have yielded you $50 this morning so far. So that's your money. You can close those down now. You don't have to keep them open, and you're up $50. Yay! That was easy money. That's called gimme money, and they knew where it was going to go before it did it too. That's why they kept it so tight. They didn't let me have a lot, and now I'm up $75 on those options right there. You can see clearly that we're up $75 on those options. $62. I can sell anytime. I think the only most I can make is $1,500. So when I get there, I'll let you know if we get there. And those are called Nadex binary options. All right, sweet. Let's go back to NAS again. Nice. Now, this is a little pull. Come down. You should be in the money on your sell stops on NAS at least. I know I am. I can see my entrances right there. This is a 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the blue line on NAS. Take that, and you should also understand if it's happening on NAS, it's happening on SPX too. But at the same time, you can always do whatever you want to do. If you don't want to take the sell stop, then wait for the NAS 1 minute buy stop. Keep your lines up here and don't let it come anywhere else. Make sure, matter of factly, that you put them up here. You put them anywhere you want, but this 5 minute sell stop is engaged. I'm in the money on these trades. I'm going to lock in the money before market open right here. And that one, and this one. And then we're in the money. Okay, we're locked in on those trades. So if it arches back up, I'll have to re-enter those ones. This is a 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop. I'm not entering on the 5 minute, I'm entering on the 15 minute. I'm in profit, yeah, like 20, 30, on what you're trading. And I'm taking that money. If it arches back up, then so be it. And again. So we're locked in profit there. I have a buy stop above this line in case it arches back up again. 1 minute buy stop Nas100. 1 minute buy stop Nas100. Broken box, can't call SPX at this time. Can't call US30 at all on this time. So the only one with a possibility on that buy stop is NAS. All of them are 5 minutes. I'm assuming you're in the money on your US30. Sorry, I haven't been looking. Yes, I don't know why I didn't enter my trade on that one though. I just placed that. Fuck. Anywho, you should be in the money on your 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop on US30. I know you're in the money on NAS on the sell stop because I'm in the trade. I'm in the money on that. And I'm still calling a 1 minute buy stop. So let's see what happens. 1 minute sell, 1 minute buy, 1 minute buy. Nothing I can do with that. Now your 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop in SPX. you're in the money on that and you don't need a lot, you should be out probably. You only need 1 or 2 pips profit. Yeah, it's a pip up. Take profit and get out of that trade. There's no need to stay in SPX. Unless you opened up more than one, then you can do more than one. Okay. Da da dee, da da doo, da 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 dee. And that's what your NAS looks like, and that's what your US 30 looks like. Oh man, it is getting a little boring, isn't it? Hit the like and please, make sure we're helping Kevin since he's helped us. Thank you, Lauren. I appreciate that. Thank you. You have to run. Peace and love, Russia's listening. Thank you, Wealth Creation Project. Have a good day. Good morning, Crystal. Morning, Marlon. Morning, Terry. Morning, Stephen. NAS is forming a sell stop 15-minute. Correct, Monique. Very good read. Excellent read. And we can go over there to the 15-minute if you like. Yep, it's a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop technically right now, but if it keeps rising up, it'll pull this up and make this indicator turn green right here, and you guys will actually make some more money on that way down. Be ready to roll, ready to rumble. There's your buy stop. I made money on the way down, took my money out, and now we'll see if we engage or not on that buy stop right there to the blue line. You can see the cross on the sniper. This is so cool. You guys get to see the sniper in action live. I love this. It's like the third, fourth time on this. Moving my sell stops for better positioning for later on. All right. Buy stop would have engaged already. It is. Yep, we're up money $16, $17, $18, $20. We're up over $20 to the blue line. Again, you would have caught this. Sorry, I didn't point this out, but it crossed back here, back on the sniper. Green, 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 red, green, green to the blue line. You should have entered it earlier. I'm a little late. I'm still up $20 on that trade. I pull over my thing, but it's locked into my other screen for some reason. I can't get out of it. Cool. So now you saw the sniper work, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 times this morning. Awesome. Yay. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, I'm going to go ahead and say the scanner was extremely accurate, and the sniper system, again, it's for strictly scalping. Also has made you a shit ton of money today. Boop, there it is. Made money on that little push downward because I'm waiting for that desperately to hook back down on our 15-minute. But again, I told you, I don't think we're done going up yet. I just don't think it. Call me crazy, but I just think that NAS is going to be another push to that blue line, which, oh, did it touch it again? Son of a bitch. I'm over here rambling. Let me see something. Oh, no. I thought it did a candle up. No, it did not. It did not. My bad. And that's it. But you're in the money again, whether you're in the money from this one or this one. The second entry with the first entry is good. Take your profits and get out of Dodge and run. There it is, and it's touched. So now you had the cross. It touched the green. You would close this trade down. If you have more than one, leave one open. If not, you've made your money and get out. Oh, that's not a lot of pips, Kev. That's not a lot of pips. It's only 7, 8 pips. Dude, it's a minute or two. Professional traders make 10 all day. We just made 7, 8 pips just like that. And there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. It's not the same for SPX. SPX broke. It's not the same for US 30. US 30 Bach broke. It's not the same for SPX because the most important indicator in the history world, the Bach broke. It is the same for NAS because NAS is perfection. And you can see NAS going to the blue line for what, the fourth, fifth time? There you go. There it is, touching the blue line again or coming close enough. It's called horseshoes and hand grenades. Take your profit out unless you open up more than one. Learn how to trade for once in your lives. Learn how to fish. There it is again before your very eyes. There's the system. Go over to safetytrade.com, buy the damn system, learn how to trade for yourselves. Buy the damn system, learn how to trade for yourselves. Buy the damn system, learn how to trade for yourselves. Look at this over here. Speaking of which, I know it's only demo money. I can't help that. It is what it is, what I can get into on my accounts. I have so many. We're up $112. We're up $100 on those trades from this morning in Nadex. $100, and we have to the end of the week to be correct. We're up $100. I can close those down right like $100, $112. This is the system. This is the system on this is Nadex on my system. System, Nadex. System, Nadex. System, Nadex. Buy the damn system, trade Nadex. Buy the damn system, trade anything you want to trade. I don't care. Buy the damn system. Once you buy the system, you get a type form. Type form will walk you through everything. So say you buy the system, right? You get it. Then you have to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading, relearn the system. Well, we give you a type form that walks you through this, right? So as you walk through this, be ready for the sell stops. I keep telling you. Right here. It walks you through it, brings you up. Type yes, type whatever. Spell out the word instructions, although if you can't follow instructions, please don't get it. NDA, we actually give you a video. Future group training session is also called Continue. I got to update that actually. Your own personal scanners, how to get it. Precious!
Good morning.
I hear Precious in the house. We've been using the scalper this morning. It's been working fantastic.
Nice.
Good morning, Precious.
Good morning.
I was sleeping.
Okay.
You tossing and turning? Too excited about everything.
Yeah. Good morning. How long have you been on?
A long time.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Yeah, pretty well. Let me get your chair for you. Since about 6 or something, 2-3 hours. I don't know, something
Oh
like that.
wow.
Well, I figured we gotta get off early today,
Yeah.
so I went on early for him to help him out. And help him out indeed. Made a lot of good trades this morning already. Scalper system is fucking amazing. Does exactly like it's supposed to do.
Good morning, guys.
Garth Faulkner. Garth, if you're asking a question we can't see it, it's been being blocked out. So you have to reword your question. Monique, this is for me correct. Lauren sent us her phone number. Lauren will be on Thursday, and we have the other fellow, Wealth Creation Project. What's his name?
Hello, what'd you say?
Wealth Creation Project. Do we know his name?
Yeah.
What is it?
Dr. Harry.
Dr. Harry. Okay.
Yes.
So he'll be on Wednesday, and then we have Lauren coming on Thursday. What's up, Bree? Says Thomas. Crystal says good morning. Aaron says good morning. Awesome, guys. Be prepared for your sell stops to engage on NAS 5-minute, 15-minute, but it is a 1-minute buy stop back to the blue line. I'm still sticking with it because I'm stubborn. We made so much money on it. I gotta call on the horseback riding too. I forgot about that. What's his face came on, Kent, and then the gentleman that we will probably be going up speaking at, or I'll be going up speaking at in October. We need to get his email, and I need to print that one. I forgot about that. I don't think anyone bought the thing yet overnight though. I showed him the scanner. I showed him the sniper. We've been trading. Buy stop to the blue line NAS. 1 minute. I think that's about it, Will. Getting excited.
Nice.
I'm ready to roll, ready to be done. Is it almost 9:30 now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, about 8.5 minutes, huh? Yeah, 8.5 minutes to market open. Make sure you don't play the market open. Oh yeah, a couple people were interested in buying. I didn't know. Put that down. All right. Buy stop to the blue line. 1 minute NAS is also in the money again. I just think you're going to see all of them do that, but whatever. I can't call it, so you guys play any which way you want. The buys on the NAS are in the money again. Why is my MT4 waiting? We don't speak about Rinky specific things on your charts. Sounds to me like you're not logged into your account. Good morning, Aaron and Crystal. And Garth, I don't know what your question mark means, brother. Good morning, Pappy. There it goes up again, touching its blue line. NAS has literally been a printing machine. It's turned into ATM NAS again, precious. There it goes up yet again to its blue line. You guys would be up $25 and $26 on a 0.03 and a 0.05, $31. There's the touch again to the blue line. There's the touch again to your blue line. You can go ahead and lock in these profits if you'd like. I took down my sell stops for the moment. I'm going to go ahead and put those back in again in just a second. There's your money. There's your touch to the blue line at least 6 or 7 times this morning, precious. I don't know. Losing count. There's your money. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that SPX and US30 will be falling, but there's nothing I can call on you for this. They're just dirty and not clean. The NAS has performed exactly as told it would do, exactly as a sniper showed you it would do, exactly touching its blue line multiple times. Buy stop, sniped, green, 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 red, green, green, to the blue line. Hooked itself again, showing you the hook to it. Back up it went. And that's the over and over and over and over. There. Oh, but it's only, but Kev, it's only 10 pips. That's all professional makes in a day. But Kev, it's only 7 pips. That's 17 pips you made, which is 70% more than a professional makes in a day. Oh, but we didn't do it here. Yes, we did. We did it back here, remember? And that was 30 pips. Did it over and over and over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many times you need to do it? I don't know what to tell you. There's a sniper sniping for us. And there's the regular old great system doing what it does. There you go. Oh, but it's coming down again. Oh, shit. Speaking of which, hold on a second. Well, be ready for the sell. I don't know what to tell you. Go over to your 5-minute, 15-minute, and be ready for a sell stop. You can't. Let's see, 15 real quick. Yeah, I'm going to pull that up. Oh, but you said, well, yeah, it hit its blue line. We're golden. I'm putting this right here. Matter of fact, we're going to put 2 of those down. Freaky deaky da 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 da. US 30. What is SPX? Still calling 1-minute buy stops in US 30 to the blue line. Don't care. Even if it's temporarily, it's going to go up there and shoot and touch it. For SPX, don't care. If it doesn't go up, that's awesome. 15-minute sell stops are still in force also. Don't forget those at open. That's, I think, where you're going to see that movement down. Okay, 1 minute buy again on Nas100. It's reloading right now. What's the big? Is it 90 cal? What's that big one they use for sniping? I want to know the caliber they use for using snipers that use their sniping guns of sniping this. I think they're called a 90 cal. The ones that have the bullets that go by your head and can kill you. They're so freaking cool. Oh, 50 cal, not 90. Thank you, Evan. Buy stop, 1 minute. SPX. Buy stop, 1 minute. Nas100. Can't really call a buy stop SPX US 30, but it is. Sell stop. God bless you. Is that sneeze? That was so tiny I didn't even hear it. God bless you. I didn't even make a noise. God bless you. How does that even work? You didn't even make a noise. I blow down the whole house. You don't even make a noise.
You do.
It's even funny. That one you just did is Chris's sneeze. He's 300 pounds going. That's a sneeze. Sell stop is engaged. Sell stops are engaged. Take your money out of Nas100 sell stops. They're engaged. Sell stop on Nas is engaged. Sell stop for me is engaged. 1 minute buy stop. Doesn't mean you can't. See how this works? I'm making money on the way down. I'm making money on the way up. I'm making money on the way down. I'm making money on the way up. I don't know why you guys don't do this. Make money on the way up. Take your profit. And then make money on the way down. Take your profit. It just happens to be very fast on the 1 minute level. 1 minute sell stops are engaged for Nas. Take profit if you're up 5 or 10. Make your money and get out of Dodge. One time I did it and I was looking at Facebook for a second. It made a move. I was like, whoopsie, at Facebook, sorry. 1 minute sell stop is in profit. Take your profit and get out on Nas100. And then you should put in a buy stop. Let's be specific here. Are you guys not seeing what's happening? Buy stop Nas100 1 minute and put it over there and wait and see if it goes up and grabs it. Making money on the down, making money on the up. I think this is funny. 50 cal, 50 cal. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Evan. All right, 50 cal. Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you. 50 BMG. Oh, okay. No, I think it's a 50 cal, Eric. What's up, Mo? What's up, Pappy? What's up, Eric? What's up, Nicholas? What's up, Kevin? 50 BMG. 50 cal. Well, good morning, Julius. We're currently making money on a sell stop for the millionth time on Nas and waiting for another buy stop. But this is probably the engagement. What time is it? Oh, 1 minute before market open. 1 minute before market open. Either lock in your profits, take profits, or let these things run, boys and girls. Here comes market open. I'm only going to stay on for about another 30 minutes at most. Me and Bree got things to do today. Precious and I. There you go. There we go. Where are we going down to? Let's see if we see that arch. I want to see a pull up again. I know it pulled up once, but I want to see a big pull back here up, and then we can get back in again. If not, it's going to arch, or it's just going to go straight down to the 15-minute blue line on Nas. Here we go. Market is open. Market is open. Take profit. Lock in profit or take profit on your sell stops. If you're in these, take profit or lock them in. Be ready to get back in again. This is a 5-minute, 15-minute to the blue line sell stop. I was preferring this to go up a little bit, but evidently we got whatever on that one. Oh, there we go. There is the US 30 buy stop to the blue line. 1 minute US 30 buy stop to the blue line. We have touchdown to the US 30, 1 minute to the blue line. Woo! That's 2 out of the 3, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. There's our Nas. Our Nas is still taking profit on our sells. Already took profit. Ready to roll on the other. This is SPX. Nothing going on there. There's US 30 to the blue line. Bingo, bopo, bango. Buy the damn system. Learn how to trade. Make your money. Damn well knew it had to do it. There it is. Oops, there it is. Oop, there it is. Oop, there it is. Oop, there it is. Nice. Nice. That is a thing of glory in God right there. That is so beautiful. Look at that US 30 go up and touch this blue line. Yes, thank you, thank you. There you go. Now you don't have to stay in that trade at all. You can get out of the trade. You feel free to leave the trade. You're done with US 30 unless you have 2 open. You're in the money on the sell whichever entrance you made, whether it was up here or here again. You're back in the money on NAS. You're in the money on the buy stop on US 30. Sell stop, buy stops, money coming out of everywhere. Money coming out of everywhere. Money coming out of everywhere. What's US 30 doing? What's US 30 doing? There we was. What's SPX doing? We actually did SPX today, but I'm not concerned with that. We'll stay out of that one. Nas100, you're in the money. Nas in the money, you're in twice. Waiting for that to engage. Look at it. You're in the money once. You're in the money twice. You're in the money. Who's in the money? Da 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 da. You're in the money. You're in the money. La da 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 da. US 30. Did it hit its blue line? Bingo. Close enough. Horseshoes and hand grenades. US 30 hit it. Yay. Thank you, US 30. Wonder what NAS is doing now. Making us money. Printing us money. Bingo, boppo, bango. Take that money and run-o. Look at it. You're in the money. Don't tell me you're not. You're up 20 pips. You're up 9, 10 pips. You're in the money. You're in the money. There we go. There it is. All called out live. All doing it in front of your eyes. All trading with you. Again, I can't pull my stupid thing over there, but it is what it is. And there's your US 30 to the blue line. Yay. There it is, and there's NAS selling down. Gee, I wonder where it might be going to. I wonder where it might be going to. I wonder if Kev called this out, well, 17 hours ago, and it already hit the 1 minute, by the way, Precious. It already hit the 15-minute NAS last night overnight. Mm-hmm. And there it is again. And there it is again, before their very eyes, Precious. There it is. And there's your money. Take your money and run. Take your money and run. Look, took the money out on the one. We took our money out. Beautiful. I'm going to enter it again if it does that shit one more time. There it is. And here we're going to go ahead and lock in some more. Took some more profit out. We're going to go ahead and do it again. I already have my buy stop in place waiting. If you guys don't understand what's happening here, don't play it, because if you don't understand how to do 1 minute, there's no need to hang out. These are all 1 minute, very fast trades. Very fast trades. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line for US 30, 5 minute sell stop. NAS. Not engaged on that one yet. We'll wait for it. We're in the money. We're in the money. Da 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 da. Blue line 1 minute NAS. And if you don't want to do the 1 minute, wait for the 5 minute sell stops to engage. If you don't want to do the 5 minutes, wait for the 4 hour buy stops to engage. You're in the money on NAS 1 minute to the blue line. Take your profit and get out. You're in the money on take the profit and get out. ERUSD's dipped. Nice. We had options on ERUSD and there we go. Buy stop 1 minute ERUSD. Sorry, 5 minute ERUSD. 5 minute buy stop ERUSD. We made so much on that though. It was just a beautiful call. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop ERUSD. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop ERUSD. 4 hour buy stop ERUSD. Oh, NAS is in the money. NAS is in the money again on the 1 minute. NAS is in the money touching its blue line again on the 1 minute. NAS is in the money on the 1 minute. NAS is in the money on the 1 minute. You're in the money on the 1 minute. Take it out. Lock it in if you have more than one. Look at NAS go up on the 1 minute. Look at NAS go up. Oh, but he says it go down. Yes, I did, and I made money. And we're in the money again. Look at US 30. US 30 went back up, as I called, back to its blue line. What's SPX doing, guys? SPX to its blue line. All three have touched their blue line. All three have touched their blue line. Bingo, boppo, bango. NAS touches blue line. US 30 touches blue line. SPX touches blue line. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. You're in the money. You're in the money. I'm going to go ahead and pull this one. Maybe I'll leave this one. Yeah, I'll leave it. You're in the money on all three. SPX touches 1 minute blue line. I'm not going to say anyone wrote this out. 1 minute buy stop to blue line. I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say this was written out. The 15 minutes L stop to the blue line still is active, by the way, to be clear. No, it didn't go away. You just have to play these. If you don't understand, then don't play these small time frames. 15-minute sell stop to the blue line. NAS. Absolutely. I'm dropping in another one, actually, while we speak. And I'm going to put another one down here, and we'll wait for it to come back down. If it does, if it doesn't engage, I'm not going to lose sleep. If it keeps going over, I'm not going to lose sleep, but I am going to make money if it dips down again. I'll tell you that much. 1 minute buy stop up and past the blue line, NAS. 1 minute buy stop, US 30 back to the blue line again. SPX hit. I wonder which one hit first, Beauty. Boom, money, 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 money. did the sniper work on Nas? Hold on. Nope, that's not Nas. Hold on. Did the sniper, was it reloaded? Yes, the sniper worked again on Nas. Let me see which one this went through. I didn't catch it. Damn. I really got to leave Nas open over here. Hold on, I got to leave Nas on this one. Right there. Let's see. It was would have broke it right here on this one. So you would have made I don't know, this one or this one. Was this the entrance? This after this one, it looks like. So you'd have made 15 pips on Nas with the sniper on that one, because you would have had to wait for the cross, which probably wasn't until this movement up. But at any rate, 15 pips, buy stop, made your money, still have my 15-minute sell stop ready to roll. 15-minute sell to the blue line on Nas. I had to take Graham out of the other one. I couldn't see this color. So I left you and live in with the colors on the sniper one, but I put it back to green. Is there a better color than green, though?
No.
Gold, maybe?
Maybe a different shade of blue.
I don't know if blue's any showable. Like, we have the aqua already.
Yeah.
Do you want me to do aqua? Maybe gold? Because my words are over there. You see how it's kind of wordy? But I can probably have Andre or Keith make it so it's thick.
Yellow would stand out.
Does gold look okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll leave it to gold. Where were we? 1 minute buy stop, US 30. Nas, it didn't tap us. We're still in the money. SPX still in the money. US 30. Yep, don't forget about those sell stops. 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop, US 30. I might put one down over here on US 30. And let it wake right there. Let me go to Nas. Right here. Oh, but they're not going up for 300 pips in a row. It doesn't do that. These are 1 minute scalps. Damn trades, don't do it. Buy stops were cool. Nas's 1 minute buys are in the money again. Yep, you're up $63 on your buys right here. Awesome. All right, I'll look at comments now that we've had our fun. Ruggers trade Kiva at my house, Kev. I'll feed your breakfast after. Trade live at my house, Kev. I'll feed you. That's funny, Rob. You're welcome, Rob. All right, everybody making some money out there, I hope. Y'all should have made some money in the buys. I'm in long-term buys anyways on SPX and NAS for like 2 months now, a month and a half. What time is it, Precious? Do we have time to stand or should we go?
It's 9:40.
I think
It's time to stay on.
I think
If you want to.
I don't know. I didn't even mark
You
those.
got on early.
I did. How long have I been on, guys? It's been, I don't know. It's been a minute. Everybody making some money making these trades with me? Are they too fast? You guys not know? No, the only way you can deposit money in is through Bitcoin. The other ways don't work. None of them are accurate. Nice. By the way, the scanner, but it happened so fast, I don't know how accurate it been for you. But that scanner called the blue, to the blue line on the 1 minute. You can see that clearly. It all changed from red to green. You can see that. And then red. It's just so amazing. Oh my God. You're going to have to learn to read the scanner, but once you learn to read it, woo! And how did I know it was going to the blue line? Well, that's because of what I do for a living, huh? And I hate to say 9 or 9.5 years. Can I just say I've been trading for 10 years and get it over with?
Trade for a while.
Been trading for a while, fine. What if I say I've been trading for 10 years and then next year when it's 11 years, I only say 10 years? Then I won't take credit for extra. Made some paper money, still winning system. Thank you, God, Kevin Brave. Thank you, Julius, for speaking up. Thank you, Health Family Wealth, for speaking up. Call us US 34 times. Tim Burnett. Awesome, Tim. Made some money. I am liking the 5-minute better personally. Great. Health, family, well. Some people love the 5 minutes. Some people love the 15 minutes. I personally am not a big 15-minute fan. Look at it go up. We were up $72 on a .03. Yes. And of course, well, I can tap into those other ones. I forgot. Other, which is this right here. Gosh darn. Oh, what happened? Retry. That's been fantastic. And I'm getting to see the scalping thing work perfectly the whole time. I hate this thing. Why does it keep trying to? Okay. Yeah, it's 5 minute. All right. Where are we at? Negative there. Yes, there. There. Okay. These are my trades from, hell, I don't know, so long ago I can't remember. These are the trades from, oh, I can pull them up right there, sorry. Right here. Oh, we're getting our pullback, by the way. Let me check that out after I'm done with this. Let me check that pullback out. Hold on. All right, right here are the trades. This is in my other computer in the other room of my house. Right here. The best I can do is that. Oh shit, didn't mean to do that. There. These are up 13. So from 5:15, and today is. Oh, I lost my damn phone. Today is. Oh, there it is. Today is 6:26. So 5:15. Almost 6 weeks open. These trades are on buy stops. Let's see on this one. This is Nas I'm looking at. Let me flip this over to Nas. Hold on, let me move this up. Can I do this safely? Yes. This is another computer in another part of my house here. These are 4-hour trades. These are 4-hour buy stops. I've been in this one since the fill in the gap one back on 5:15. Currently, my take profit is 1,500 pips. Currently, we're up almost 1,700 pips, and we were as high as up as basically 2,000 pips. And the reason why I'm still in the trade because this is still a buy stop forming on a 4-hour, and I'm staying in this trade. So tie that on for size. Literally, we're in a 4-hour trade for 6 weeks, up 12. Hold on, up locked in guaranteed profits of 1,400, 1,500 pips. So no matter what happens, I make 1,500 pips on this trade from 6 weeks ago. And there it is. There's the trade. And we're still in it. And that's what you got. So yes, you can hold trades longer. You don't hold 1-minute trades 6 weeks, generally speaking. You can hold trades 4 hours and daily trades 6 weeks, or a month, or 2, or 3. Looks like this trade to be held open for 2 months. And the trade was done live. You can go back to the date when I did this trade. You can see it clearly when I entered it in. And I kept it open because I opened up multiple ones at a time. Kept this one open, let it be a runner, and it's been running ever since. Does anybody have any questions over how I can hold a trade for 6 weeks or be up 1,400, 1,500 pips, take profit? Anyone at all? I'll be glad to talk to you. 15:30 sell stop Nas correct. Hey Kev, could we be going for that 4-hour again? I'm in the 4-hour. Yes, Steve, absolutely. Made some paper money. There you go. Struggling big time, says Crypto Fox Indy. You're struggling making money? Crypto Fox Indy? I'm not sure. Did I say something and I didn't miss it? $109 on the buy stop, by the way. On Nas, we're up. 0.03 trade. I can't pull it over there because it's locked on my screen for some reason. I'm about to close down the whole damn thing. All right. So no one has questions over that. I'll pull it away then. Yay, us. All right. Now let's go back. Oh yeah, I see why we're in the money. There's your Nas buy. Still forming a 15-minute, 30-minute sell. I'm ready for that to the blue line. Blue line 1. wants those, so no rush. It's going up to its 1 hour. Probably even going to go up into its 4 hour and engage on that. You can put another buy stop up in here if you want. I'm not going to do that because I'm in the trade multiple times actually in different accounts. Let's see. 1 minute, you can't do anything. So I'm prepared for a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop, but these all have to be risen up for US 30. And that's one of our rules. I think it's rule 6. You actually have to raise these up as it moves. And again, we're in these long-term buys, so I'm not worried about that at all. See where it's going to? It's going to come back up here and touch this line. So I'm going to run these right here like this. That's all they're doing. They're not consolidating. Look what it did over and over and over. Clearly and easily. Price came over, formed our logo, came down and touched the red line, and went down, touched the red line and went down. It's going to touch the red line again and go down. It happens to be on the hourly time frame, so we're inside of hourly candles right now. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hours a buy stop. Look at the daily. It's going down to touch this line right here. It might even form a daily buy stop right here. We'll see. So it's right now it's a 4 hour buy stop, US 30. Right now it's a 4 hour buy stop NAS. Right now it's a 4 hour buy stop SPX. Henceforth, I know you guys can't see it. I'm sorry. I don't know why this shit's shitty like this. I don't understand it. But reality is, this is all typed out, written out for you right here. 1 minute buy stop to the blue lines. All three did it. 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop to the NAS 15-minute blue line. Don't know if it'll do it. Already did it once last night. It did it. 4 hour buy stop. I don't know if they're going to all do it, but they're all prepared to do it. Whether they do it today or not, I don't know. I want to check ERUSD again, though. Hold on. ERUSD. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. ERUSD, 1 minute sell stop to the line. 5 minute buy stop ERUSD. What the hell? I know I got the options, but we'll throw this in. Just wait for this to do its thing. Why can't I bring it down? Where's it at? Oh, I see. That's fine. ERUSD, 30-minute nothing. 1 hour. I'm not playing those. We're good. So that's all. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line ERUSD. 5 minute buy stop to the blue line ERUSD. End of story. That's what you get. It's too far away. It's got to pull back down now. The US 30 has to pull back down. Well, it doesn't have to. It's entirely too far away. It's got to come down and form our now. Same for NAS. It's just too far away. I mean, we're literally up. At this point, you're up 50 pips on NAS in a matter of minutes. If you don't take profit, you're a greedy pig and deserve to get slaughtered. And SPX is too far away, too. They all just went skyrocketing upward. That was the arch I wanted. It gave us the arch. We had a double arch, actually, on that. It did it. Now we're waiting for the 15 minutes / 30 minutes to take form. Yeah, 15-minute, 30-minute sell stops coming up. And if they don't, we'll just wait for that to, or stay in your 1 minute buy stops. Don't, I mean, unless you're taking profit or whatever, to stay there. And that's it. And then you wait for the 4 hour buy stops to really get kicking in, and they'll go up even more. So let this hook back down a little bit. We'll re-enter again. Everybody on TikTok and YouTube, tell your friends. You're about to make some more money if it will dip down just a little bit for us so we can get that official buy-in. We're going to reload our 50 cal on our sniper. Now, it may not. Sometimes these things rocket up so hard they never come back down. I can't help that. So that's just sometimes what they do. They just keep going and we don't have an opportunity to do anything. I got to tag these with times. I'm sorry for putting these in so often, but I got to put our times in here so that I know when I go back to watch these that they'll show. All right. Precious, anything?
I don't think so.
Why is the vid unclear? I don't know. It should be clear. So it's unclear on TikTok. Can you go to TikTok and look?
Yes.
Why is it unclear? We're using their thing. That's crazy.
Their studio.
I know, it's through their studio.
Well, it's very clear.
Yours is very clear?
Yeah,
I mean, it looks clear enough. Maybe it's through your phone?
Oh.
What TikTok do you use on your phone? Yours?
Mhm.
So you can pull up that one then? Try that and see. In YouTube, it's not super clear, but it's readable. And that's on a different computer now. I don't understand why that one's getting blurry. That one's annoying.
Oh, it's clear on the phone.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Why are you not clear? Why is the vid unclear? Can you pull up on your phone YouTube? Looks like YouTube. I don't know what that means, but I do know it means that we're up money on Nas, $177. Yay! Look at it skyrocketing. And the sniper no sniping thing worked perfection. Do I hear Tuxie?
You do.
Oh, he's in there still?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Oh,
I'm watching ads.
you're watching ads. I love it. Don't you love those ads when they're ours? Hello. All right. Oh.
It's a little blurry.
Can you read? Can you zoom in? Can you zoom in and read the words?
No.
No. The small words, the big words you can. Look at it go up. Holy shit.
It just looks a little fuzz.
A little fuzzed.
Yeah.
Look at that. Up $200 on that buy on Nas. Up $200 on the buy on Nas. Wow. SPX, same thing. Nothing you can do. US 30. I mean, will it pull back enough? I mean, these things are just a hard rise now. Oh, 5-minute touch on the blue line. 5-minute buy touch on the blue line. It will close. You'll see this indicator, the scanner right here. The NAS is over its blue line. NAS is over its blue line. When it closes, you'll see a 1 green. This means we need to then look for buy stops. Any and all buy stops on the 1 minute, like I've been calling. Oh my God. That's exactly what this is saying. So this is what you do. Wow. There it is. Watch. 40 seconds from now, you're going to see 5-minute NAS turn from 3 red to 1 green. If it doesn't dip below there, it will. It will. In 30 seconds. How cool is this, ladies and gentlemen? Wow, this is cool as shit. Wow, you guys get to see the snipe. You get to see the 2 out of 3 scanner in action. I can't log into the other scanner room. I wrote Keith, and I don't think he's been on this morning. I don't know how to get in. I don't remember what he said to do or what to do. 7 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds. You have to check US 30 real quick too. And there it is. See the flip? See it flip? Do you see that? Now that immediate alerts you. Say, hey, this just changed. The 5-minute changed to green on NAS. Let's go look at the US 30 and the SPX 1-minute chart. We can find a buy stop on those. So we pull up US 30. Fill in the gap buy stop with the 50 cal reloaded. Click, 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 click. 50 cal is reloading. Let's see what happens. The buy stop would have been back here, though, where it cleared right back here as I called. There you go. Let's see if we get a click, clock, click. Now SPX, on the other hand, let's pull that up. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood, the neighborhood, the neighborhood. Hope you're all making some money with this. And I know people can't go in and out fast because they're just not that way with the 1 minute, some of them. So please don't get the sniper system if you can't get in and out of trades fast. Just don't do it. All right, I think we need to drive by. We need to drive by. And let's see what happens. I'm not sure if anybody's writing anything. I'm not looking, but I hope you're not. I'm not paying attention to you. Reload, reload. Click, click, click. Pew, pew. Bang, bang. Which women can't do. Do it, precious. That was pretty close, baby.
I can't do it.
Precious. That's the cutest little machine gun I ever did here. That's the cutest little machine gun I ever did here. That was weird. Up on the screen. It's not even on the screen.
Yeah, I saw that.
Ain't nothing on her screen to flash up. I don't know what that was. What the hell was that?
I did notice that.
Yeah.
Kind of weird.
Yeah, that's really weird. We did have that guy visit us the other day. Maybe they're... Buy, stop, fill in the gap. We loaded our sniper 50 cal. I was told by many people it's a 50 cal. There's such a thing as that. Where's Glow at? Glow's like, you son of an idiot. You don't even know what a 50 cal is. Tanny B, 5-minute blue line. Yes, Tanny, correct. Nas just hit his 5-minute blue line. Yes, Jason, correct. Woo, 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 PK.
3 hits her water gun out. Oh my gosh. That's funny.
Precious. A little pixely. Looks like YouTube. Jimmy Hustle! Hey! Good morning, Strictly Pacoda. Strictly Pacoda. Strictly Polka Dot. Good morning, yes, I'm working on that.
You can't roll your tongue though.
I can't roll my tongue, but I can make the machine noise. Do the rolling tongue. Now the rolling tongue is much more sexy. Yeah. Well, you are. You're a sexy woman. See? She is.
Now you try.
Good morning. Thank you, Strictly. How do you roll it? La 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 la. Roll your tongue. No, that's not gonna work. I can't roll it.
It's like tapping the roof of your mouth.
Fine. We're reloading. You're about to see the sniper in action again. 50 cal. Native Duck, get your head out of the way. Buy stop. This is US 31. Buy stop US 31 minute. Buy stop US 31 minute. We know because the 2 out of the 3 scanner turned green and US 30 and SPX hasn't hit it. So we're waiting for this to do its thing. And bippity boppity boo, we're making $250 on our NAS trade this morning on the one account. And we're waiting for this one to happen. But it hasn't happened yet. Just be ready for your buy stop. 1 minute US 30. Buy stop. Buy stop. And then after this one, I think we're going to go because we got too much to do today. Let's go. Let's go.
He said, yep, you sound totally normal right now.
I hope people are buying the system based on my insanity. All right, PK. I like people making fun of me. Kaboom. And we're waiting. We're waiting. It hasn't crossed yet. This is the whole purpose of the sniper. You got to wait for pink to cross purple. I got to come up with better colors.
Oh, pink is awesome.
Yeah, it is. I know.
It shows up well on the black, too.
Yeah, they do. They do. The gold just needs to be thicker. I'm going to have Andre change the gold to thicker. Buy stop, 1 minute, US 30. Buy stop, 1 minute, US 30. Wait for it to reload. The 50 cal is being taken out. The 50 cal bullet's like 6 inches long, right? And it's being put into its little chamber. It's about to be where they kind of click and go. Do they still click it? They probably have automatic shit now. Buy stop, 1 minute, US 30. Wait for the pink to cross the purple. This is the beautiful thing. You won't get re-entered in wrongly if you are patient, unlike me. And you wait for pink to cross the purple. Wait for it. Buy stop.
Awesome.
Thank God for the safe trade system. Daily opportunities to capitalize on the blessings. Just took a 300-meter headshot target neutralized. Thank Kevin Bree. Pew, pew, pew. Money, baby. Metal Man, you a nut. Buy stop. Buy stop. 1 minute. Kaboom. Jose Luis Alonso says, love it. I don't know. We're nuts, Jose. I don't know if you should love it. Buy stop. Buy stop. Buy stop, baby. Oh, but it's already up and the pink has to cross purple. I can't help it. You want to follow the damn rules of the sniper? You wait for pink to cross the purple. Wait 12 seconds, you impatient. But you should already have your buy stop in place. That's the difference. You should have your buy stop in place right now in case the pink crosses the purple, which I believe you're about to see.
Good morning, Keith.
Keith, I can't get into the scanners. Where's Keith? Good morning, Keith. I don't even know what scanner to go into, Keith. I have no earthly idea what scanner to go into. I know I'm nuts, laugh my ass off. Done for the days of my life. Awesome, Metal Mine. And it still hasn't crossed. Keith, what scanners do I go into? Clear your cache. Oh, shit. 50,000 phase one clean. Yay, Metal Mine. Congratulations. So my cache. My cache. I have to clear that. And it still hasn't crossed yet. Sorry, guys. You can't enter the trade yet. You can't enter the trade yet. It hasn't crossed. Wait another 15 seconds. Sorry, guys. Thank you, Keith. Keith, you know I'm dumb as shit with this stuff. I don't know how to do any of it. Jason L. Rock the Bach. We're still waiting for the sniper to pull the trigger. Well, evidently Metal Mine's already pulled the trigger. Killed somebody. We're only playing pretend. This is only boys talking boy stuff. We're not talking about real shit. You should have called me. No, never bug you, Keith. I hate bugging you. You're a busy man. He's a very busy, important man. Oh, look. There is a reason why the pink hasn't crossed the purple yet, because it hasn't gone up enough. Oh, my God. Okay, it's official. The sniper's better than I am. The sniper is better than I am. It hasn't crossed. That's funny as fuck. Look at this. You would have made money on the call, by the way, just to be clear. My call, the buy stop. But the new sniper trade system, which has been working perfectly, Keith, all morning long. It is the most gorgeous thing on earth. Reloads, pop, reloads, pop, reloads, pop. Every time it's been accurate, every time it's been right, every time we've made money. Especially on Nas. I wanted to check ERUSD again, but hold on a second. ERUSD. ERUSD. 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute buy stop, ERUSD. Exact same thing it was a minute ago. US 30. 1 minute buy, 15 minute sell. 1 minute buy, 15 minute sell. NAS, I can't call it buy, it's just too far away. It just keeps going up. Let it pull back down. We're in the NAS buy. Still hasn't crossed yet, so we're still waiting. Look at this shit. Damn, calling. This little sniper thing is pretty fucking cool. Put my buy stop up there, waiting for the buy stop to occur on US. Do. Wait for it. Look at how smart that is. The final destination. Buy stop 1 minute. Sorry.
It's doing that weird flashing thing again.
Is it? Where's that coming from?
I don't know what it was doing.
Why is it? Whoa!
Phone's not moving, so how is it moving?
Did you? I got goosebumps. What the
Look.
fuck was that? What
In
the?
type 4. Wait, make sure you're at the. Scroll to the
What?
right.
Are we in a wrong
Make sure you're
video?
At the bottom. Oh yeah, it's backed up some. Look at the red. Okay, go back. Yeah, go to the end. That's why it was doing that.
Oh my god, that was crazy. Why is it so wide? Nuts. Oh, probably because of the commercials. Okay. Wow, thank you, Precious, because that was insane. Buy on as was perfection. Nas. Oh yeah. Can you please look at gold? Gaming with Mo. Yes. I've been working on the sniper this morning. I think you're gonna like it. Thank you, Keith. Alright, so buy stop, cross. This has to lock in. Look at it, boom, 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 boom. Da, 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 da. Now it has to lock in. You can either enter the trade upon it, or it has to go up and lock. See, it hasn't locked in yet. You gotta let it lock in. I'm too hyper, watch. You gotta let it lock in. You would have made money on that trade, by the way. You could have got in and out of it. So it's still correct. But let it go up, let it go. See it move live. Let it lock in. Come on, go up for those 4 seconds. Go up and lock in over the top. Go in and lock. God, it didn't lock in over the top. Mother. Are we ever going to get out of here? We got to go. 10:07. Yep. Come on. I know all I want to do is to lock in. There it is over the top. You could be in this trade. You can actually trade like this if you. I didn't lock it in. Go up. We had 30 seconds for it to go up. Go up. Don't go down. Don't go down. Don't. Oh, forget it. Guys, with this thought, buy stop. Okay, I'm going over on YouTube only. I'll look at gold on YouTube. I'm going to look at everything on YouTube. I'm heading over to YouTube only. Son of a gun. I'll leave you guys a little nugget there on TikTok. Buy stop on TikTok. US 31 minute. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions, concerns, or comments? Anyone on TikTok have any questions, concerns, or comments? Anyone? It still won't cross over. Dang it. All right. Anyone on TikTok? TikTok heading over to YouTube. TikTok heading over to YouTube. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jose. Thank you, Bree. Thank you, Jose. Thank you, Strictly Polka Dot. Thank you, everybody. C. Maiden and Thomas. Heading over to YouTube. Heading over to YouTube. Thank you, Jose. All right, heading over to YouTube. Look, it won't. This thing's damn more accurate than I am. Okay, I've created a freaking monster. I do believe this sniper is more accurate than me. It won't lock in. And I keep calling that as a buy, and it keeps saying, hell no, it ain't a buy. Wow. That is cool. Anywho, gotta go. All right, press anything for anybody on TikTok?
Bye, TikTokers.
Bye, TikTokers. See you later this evening, probably. Way later. All right, we are clear of TikTok. 1.7 thousand views, 3 diamonds. Viewers who commented 26, 8 new followers. Don't know why it was blurry. I'm glad I'm not the only one that sweet talks my charts. Kev, don't miss. I don't mind. Thank you. Buy was on perfection. Gold. Gaming who? Can you please look at gold? Buy was on perfection. Okay, let's look at gold now. Look at that. That little weasel ass thing is more accurate than I am. Okay, guys, I may have created a monster AI where this stupid sniper thing is actually stupider than me. It's like smarter than I am. It won't cross. I'm going to keep an eye on that. Matter of fact, we're putting US 30 on. Wow, that is too fucking cool. Anywho, gold. All right, gold. Gold 1 minute. Buy? Buy was on perfection. Well, this is a sell. I'm a little confused on that one. 1 minute sell to the blue line was perfection. 15 minute buy stop. 15 minute buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Daily buy stop. That's it. Look, it was correct. I hope you guys have your US 30 sell stops in place. Look what it did. It wouldn't cross over. The US 30 1 minute wouldn't cross over to do a buy. Oh my God. That little fucker was more accurate than I was. 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop, US 30. 15 minute US 30 sell stop. Wow. This thing would have saved all of you from entering incorrectly on this trade, the SPX, the US 30, the sniper. Wow. That thing wouldn't cross over. It knew better. It kept trying, but it wouldn't do it. Look, it never crossed over and closed above. How did I make something that actually is more sensitive than I am? Wow, that's pretty good. Okay, little fucktard. We're gone, we're gone. All right, anybody on YouTube have any questions before we go? Still 15-minute sell stops for all 3 indices. Still 1 minute buy stops for all 3 indices. Still 4 hour buy stops for all 3 indices. Nothing's changed. Get your stock ready for Kev. For me, Kev, Monday. Oh, okay, Metal Mind, Dr. Biak, I can't wait to get the sniper. All thanks to God, Metal Mind, Dr. Biak, you were awesome. I'm not the only one who talks on the charts. All right, guys. Well, Bree, anything for anybody on YouTube?
Bye, y'all have a great day.
The safety sniper. That kind of has a little ring to it. The safety sniper. The safety sniper. Huh. Bree said, I'll have a good day. You better have a good day, guys. Don't have a bad one. All right, talk to y'all later. We'll talk to you this evening sometime. Lord willing. See ya.
A little advanced training.
Oh, yeah, my bad.